What's more important to you, Sunil Shetty as your introduction, or the apnapan that comes with Anna as everybody calls?
I've forgotten my own name today.
How old are you? 25?
Yeah.
Are you sure there's no Botox anyway?
Nothing at all. Can never be.
Bollywood में रह के you look like this without
anything. क्योंकि मैं young age में martial arts की तरफ चला गया. At the age of 14 and 15, I was training in the Tibetan Border Police and the Maharashtra Police.
When you started your career, discipline तो होता नहीं था. लोग 4-4, 5-5 फिल्में कर रहे होते थे.
हमारे दौर में ही commitment
शुरू हो गया
की बातें टाइम वाइज शुरू हो गई. आप अक्षय को देखिए, आप अजय को देखिए, और वही आज की जरूरत है.
बहुत से different genre of actors have come up.
Absolutely. But there is a difference between a lead actor and a star. These late 50s and 60-year-olds are giving bigger hits than the 20 and 30-year-olds.
Everything is PR.
Yeah, everything is PR. लोग जो इर्द गिर्द रहते हैं और बताते हैं कि हमको हमारी जिंदगी कैसे चलानी चाहिए. एयरपोर्ट पे जाओ तो हमेशा नए कपड़े होने चाहिए. अरे मैं जिंदगी भर कपड़े रिपीट करता आया हूँ यार.
So tell me, how did you meet Mana in college?
Told a friend of mine to bike लेकर आ जा. And I'll ask her whether she wants to go on the bike. I thought she'd say no. She said, yeah, I love bikes, and like this little kid. And I went down and I realized it was a Honda. So the Honda was exactly opposite. The gears and all was opposite of the Bullet that I had. Because it was different, the bike used to keep jerking on the run. So she thought I was doing it purposely because I wanted her to come closer to me.
And it worked.
It worked. And that's how we met.
Do you have any friends in the industry?
Jackie Dada, me, or we were known as the bad boys of that area. For no other reason that long hair, button khulle, but that was bad about us. Probably look like the alpha male and gundas.
अनिल कपूर ने कहा आजकल कोई भी स्टार बन जाता है, और उसके बाद आपकी और अनिल कपूर की कभी बनी नहीं.
बोला तो बहुत कुछ है. 50-50 हीरोज है, अक्षय और सुनील फास्ट फूड जैसे, वैसे तो बहुत बोला हुआ था.
Is there an awkwardness?
No, never. क्योंकि abuse is used.
पढ़ाई में क्या हालचाल?
60s and 70s. क्योंकि मैं obsessive sportsman था.
क्रिकेट क्यों नहीं खेला?
क्योंकि पॉलिटिक्स बहुत ज्यादा थी.
तो वो जो अरमान थे वो अब सानिक लॉ से पूरे हो गए.
मैं और माना आगे खड़े थे और माना ने कुछ कहा और मैंने ऐसे देखा और फर्स्ट बॉल था एंड राहुल गॉट बोल्ड ऑन द फर्स्ट बॉल. मैं गेम जाना छोड़ दिया, वरना सुनील शेट्टी तो हर क्रिकेट गेम में आगे चिल्लाता रहता.
पर लोग कहते हैं कि ये मोदी ईरा में ही दिस हाइपर नेशनलिज्म शुरू हुआ है.
एंड क्यों नहीं? दैट्स व्हाई धुरंधर, when you touch the soul of an Indian, लोग बोलेंगे कि ये प्रोपेगेंडा फिल्म है.
पर ये बाहर वाले थोड़ी कह रहे हैं, ये तो अपने अंदर
हाँ, तो
प्रोपेगेंडा.
वही मैं बोल रहा हूँ. इनको पता ही नहीं है ना देश क्या है. देश से जुड़े ही नहीं है कभी, और कभी कहीं जुड़ेंगे भी नहीं.
हेलो एंड वेलकम टू दिस एपिसोड ऑफ बातें दिल से. और आज दिल से बातें करने के लिए मेरे साथ हैं मेरे ऑल टाइम फेवरेट सुनील शेट्टी अक्का अन्ना.
थैंक यू.
What's more important to you, Sunil Shetty as your introduction, or the apnapan that comes with Anna as everybody calls you?
I think the apnapan from Anna, because I've forgotten my own name today. ऐसे हुआ है कि जहाँ भी मैं जाता हूँ सडनली लोग, है ना, तो मैं घूम जाता हूँ और देन सडनली आई गेट दिस फीलिंग, क्या मैं इनको जानता हूँ, और वैसे हो गया है. तो आई थिंक अन्ना बुलाने के बाद आई बीन मोर रिसेप्टिव एंड वार्मर, क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं मुझे लगता है कि ये जुड़े हैं मेरे साथ. सो आई थिंक दैट्स एब्सोल्युटली स्पेशल. ऑफ कोर्स साउथ में सभी लोगों को अन्ना बुलाते हैं, लेकिन ये जो प्यार यहाँ मिला हुआ है, इट्स अनबिलीवेबल.
मुंबई में तो आप ही को बुलाते हैं.
हाँ, बाहर भी, और वैसे ही नहीं. देखिए, अन्ना का मतलब है बड़ा भाई. बट what's happened is people probably older than me also have started calling me Anna.
But everybody is older than you, yeah, because you refuse to age. But honestly, what do you do about this? Matlab, how old are you? 25?
Yeah, I just add on a 40 more years this August, and I'll be completing 65. It's not just 65. I start running 66, as they say, but something that I'm
65 and 6 pack, and You know, you look like $1 billion, as they say. ये क्या है? वो लड़कियों से पूछा जाता है कि आपकी उम्र का राज क्या है? मैं आपसे पूछना चाहती हूँ.
आई थिंक कहीं ना आई हैव रियलाइज्ड ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम कि मैं कंटेंट हूँ, वेरी कंटेंट विद माय लाइफ, विद एवरीथिंग दैट लाइफ हैज गिवन मी. आई एम थैंकफुल कि मुझे इतने सारे मौके मिले. कहाँ रेस्टोरेंटर से शुरू हुआ, उसके बाद वन ऑफ द बेस्ट बुटीक ओनर्स, फैशन, उसके बाद फिल्में, और फिल्मों में ऑफ कोर्स काफ़ी साल रहा, गलतियां बहुत की, फेलियर देखा, लेकिन फिर भी मुझे मीडिया ने, लोगों ने जिंदा रखा. फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम मैं नहीं था. आई मीन 4-5 साल जब डैड के साथ था, उसके पहले 2-3 साल, लेकिन जिंदा रखा मुझे. तो आई थिंक ये दिल से ही और प्यार के वजह से मुझे ये मिला हुआ है. एंड आई हैव ऑलवेज बीन थैंकफुल फॉर दैट एंड ग्रेटफुल फॉर दैट. उसके अलावा आई थिंक जो मेरी आदतें हैं, आई थिंक उसके वजह से ये बदलाव आया हुआ है. कंटेंट होने का मतलब ये भी है कि काम के लिए कभी मैंने ज्यादा स्ट्रगल नहीं किया. सक्सेस, किसी के साथ सक्सेस भी मिली मुझे डायरेक्टर के साथ, तो मैंने कभी किसी को चेस नहीं किया. मुझे 6 बजे घर जाना है तो मुझे 6 बजे घर जाना ही है. अगर 5:30 बजे उठ के मुझे एक्सरसाइज करना, वो मुझे करना ही है. तो मेरी टाइम मैनेजमेंट और मैन मैनेजमेंट स्किल्स की वजह से कहीं ना कहीं मैं बचा रहा.
Or that's a total antithesis of how Bollywood runs, no?
Absolutely.
Discipline, at least when you started your career 1990s में, discipline तो होता नहीं था. लोग 4-4, 5-5 फिल्में कर रहे होते थे.
या लेकिन फिर भी जो टाइम कमिटमेंट था, बहुत सारे एक्टर्स है, आई थिंक हमारे दौर में ही कमिटमेंट
शुरू हो गया था
की बातें टाइम वाइज शुरू हो गई. आप अक्षय को देखिए, आप अजय को देखिए, सब टाइम टू टाइम आके टाइम टू टाइम डिलीवर करने वाले लोग. वो डिसिप्लिन डेफिनेटली वहाँ आई. फिल्में हम 40 करते थे, क्योंकि अगर 40 हमने साइन नहीं किया होता तो हमें स्टार को ही नहीं बुलाता था. एंड किचन चलाना था सबका, खुद का भी. ऑडियंस को डिलीवरी देनी थी. इतनी सारी फिल्में थी. बहुत ही मुश्किल समय था, क्योंकि it was the beginning of the so-called video boom. आज OTT की बात करते या वर्टिकल की बात करते, तभी भी कुछ ना कुछ नया होते ही रहता था. लेकिन सिनेमा हैज सर्वाइव थ्रू ऑल दैट, और वही आज की जरूरत है. लेकिन बच्चे उतना काम नहीं करना चाहते, आउटपुट उतनी है नहीं, महंगाई बढ़ गई,
जो है वो चल नहीं रही.
देखिए, चल नहीं रही है क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं कंटेंट में मेरा मानना है कि हम डिटैच हो चुके हैं हमारे ऑडियंस से. अर्बनाइजेशन ऑफ सिनेमा विल नॉट वर्क, क्योंकि फॉर द अर्बन ऑडियंस, और वो 2000 और 1500 और 1000 रुपए के टिकट वालों के लिए बहुत कुछ है एंटरटेनमेंट के फॉर्म में. लेकिन जो हमारी एक्चुअल इंडिया है, उसको चाहिए एंटरटेनमेंट,
जहाँ के आप अन्ना है.
जी, जहाँ से हम जिस वजह से हम बने हैं. एक एक्शन हीरो का खिताब तब दिया जाता है किसी को जब मास आपके साथ आइडेंटिफाई करता है. आज एक पॉलिटिशियन हो, स्पोर्ट्समैन हो, एक्टर हो, लेखक हो, कोई भी हो, दे नीड इंडिया. रिटेल के लिए भी आज हम बात करते हैं कि स्टार्टअप की दुनिया इतनी खूबसूरत दुनिया है, एंड वी सीइंग सो मच ऑफ सक्सेस. वी आर सीइंग सो मच ऑफ सक्सेस बिकॉज देयर इज एन ऑडियंस फॉर इट, एंड दैट इज दैट ऑडियंस.
And we're not touching it through Bollywood.
We're not touching it through Bollywood. We've forgotten them. That's why Dhurandhar, when you touch the heart of the soul of an Indian, it works. A border, it works. क्योंकि ये जमीन से जुड़ी हुई सब्जेक्ट्स और हम हमारे असली हीरोज की बात कर, गदर हमारी असली हीरोज की बात कर रहे हैं. मैं इस साल की बात कर रहा था. ऑफ कोर्स गदर, बहुत सारी फिल्में हैं, लेकिन इस साल अगर आप देखोगे तो ब्लॉकबस्टर हिट्स की जब हम बात करते हैं, it's purely because it's touched the right
chord,
people and the right chord, the right subjects. लोग बोलेंगे कि ये प्रोपेगेंडा फिल्म है. हम किसकी प्रोपेगेंडा कर रहे हैं? हम हमारी देश की कर रहे हैं, हमारे हीरोज की बात कर रहे हैं, हम हमारी ताकत की बात कर रहे हैं. और against whom? Somebody who's battered us and bashed us all the time. Why not? आपको नहीं रोका फिल्में बनाने से. आप बनाइए ऐसी फिल्में, लेकिन अगर आपके हिस्ट्री में ऐसे कभी हुआ ही नहीं है तो आप क्या बनाओगे? तो ऑडियंस को भी पता है कि
पर ये बाहर वाले थोड़ी कह रहे हैं, ये तो अपने अंदर वाले कह रहे हैं कि
हाँ,
प्रोपेगेंडा।
तो वही मैं बोल रहा हूँ तो इनको पता ही नहीं है ना देश क्या है, देश से जुड़े ही नहीं है कभी, और कभी कहीं जुड़ेंगे भी नहीं। तो हम, इफ यू सी धुरंधर, it's a film about the country and the heroes, of course.
You watched
Screenplay, of course I've watched it. I've watched it and I've watched it time and again. And I'm a huge fan of the director, you know, and Aditya Dhar, I thought Uri and all the films that Evian produces are films with a lot of substance. अमेरिका ने हमेशा जिंदगी भर उनकी फिल्में यही है, उनकी ओटीटी भी आप देखोगे तो यही है, देश, कंट्री, नंबर वन, द अमेरिकन ड्रीम। आप प्लेटफॉर्म्स उठाइए, अंडरबेली ऑफ ऑल अदर कंट्रीज एंड द डर्ट ऑफ ऑल अदर कंट्रीज, बट ओनली द ग्लिट्स ऑफ
अमेरिका,
द यूएस ऑफ ए। रैम्बो देखिए, रॉकी देखिए, वियतनाम के बारे में आप कोई भी फिल्म देखे, प्रोपेगेंडा फिल्म्स ही थी हमेशा। उन्होंने हमेशा मार्केटिंग सीखा, हमारे योग को लेके योगा बना दिए, हमारे फूड को लेके उन्होंने अपना बना दिया,
फ्यूजन बना दिया।
या हर चीज पैकेजिंग बहुत खूबसूरती से कर रहे। हमने अब अभी सीखा है हमारे हीरोज को परफेक्ट प्रेजेंटेशन करने का, पैकेजिंग करने का, विच इज, एंड व्हाई नॉट।
So let me ask you, आपने कभी कंट्रोवर्सीज के थ्रू अपने आप को रेलेवेंट बनाने की कोशिश नहीं की?
नहीं।
आप बहुत साल फिल्मों से दूर भी रहे।
Right.
आई डोंट नो, यू डिडंट गेट ऑफर्स और यू
बैड ऑफर्स, एंड देन आई रियलाइज कि खराब फिल्में करने से अच्छा है कि घर पे बैठो यार और अच्छा काम करो। तो आई वाज वेरी क्लियर कि मैं खराब करूंगा नहीं, नेगेटिव, साउथ से बहुत ऑफर्स आते, करूंगा नहीं, प्रिंसिपली कि नहीं करना मुझे।
तो मैं हूं ना में द नेगेटिव रोल,
नेगेटिव दुनिया के लिए नेगेटिव था, लेकिन मेरे नज़र में वो पॉजिटिव कैरेक्टर था, क्योंकि वो अपने देश के लिए एक सोल्जर था और उसका दुश्मन जो था वो पाकिस्तान था। एंड आई लुक्ड एट इट फ्रॉम दैट पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, बिकॉज मेरे बेटे की बॉडी उन्होंने मुझे नहीं दी, तो मेरा सबसे बड़ा दुश्मन एज अ फादर कौन होगा? एक बाप से बड़ा प्रोटेक्टर कौन है? एक माँ से बड़ा प्रोटेक्टर कौन हो सकता है? आई डिड दैट रोल एंड आई वाज कन्विंस्ड दैट आई वाज पॉजिटिव, एंड बहुत सारे लोगों ने वो उसे पॉजिटिवली लिया।
अमेजिंग, आई मीन राघवन, द वे यू, एंड दैट वाज a comeback of of a kind that nobody had ever imagined.
Absolutely. But he was a man in uniform. He believed, and he said, strip me off, but my enemy will always be my enemy. And I will always feel that way about anybody who talks against my country or who talks against my people. Not today. Even when I was 17 and 18, my brand said proudly Indian. It never said made in India. People would never put made in India also that time, imported. But Mischief said proudly Indian. And when we spoke about our address, I said, you know where we are. That was the pride that I've always had. It's not today.
पर लोग कहते हैं कि ये मोदी ईरा में ही this hyper nationalism शुरू हुआ है।
मैम क्यों नहीं? अगर कोई आपको याद दिलाता है कि आपकी हिस्ट्री क्या है और आप कहाँ से आते हो और आपकी बुनियाद क्या है, आपके रूट्स क्या है, क्यों नहीं? Why won't I do it? I've always said I'm a huge fan of his. I'm not talking about a party, I'm talking about a leader. If a leader excites me, it excites me. As much as I love my country, I love that man. There is something about him. आप मानोगे नहीं, मेरी पोती 15 महीनों की है, हर रोज सुबह, and somebody had told her, Modi ji, that's it, one photograph somewhere, one of her nannies, एयरपोर्ट के वहाँ उन्होंने दिखाया। आज हर रोज सुबह आती है, एक साईं बाबा का बुक है जिसमें मोदी जी की फोटो है, बड़ी फोटो है, वो उसे खोलती है, मोदी जी बोलती है, गणपति की मूर्ति के पास जाती है, वहाँ लड्डू, मेक बिलीव लड्डू लेके आती है और उनको खिलाती है। मैंने नहीं बोला है उसको, ना ही उसके माँ ने बोला है, ना ही उसके नैनी ने बोला। नैनी ने सिर्फ बोला मोदी जी। कुछ तो होगा ना, कुछ तो है, और वो अकेली बच्ची नहीं है। I know my other
15 महीने से
15
लेकर 65 years तक
absolutely
he's captured.
absolutely, and nobody, we've not said a word about him or anything. Modi ji, she will say. So what is it? There is something magical about him, and I think the magic with me started when I met him first in Ahmedabad. I had gone for some work, and say 11 o'clock was the time, and there's this door. I didn't realize there was another door there, and I was waiting, and I said, okay, 11 o'clock, and bam, the door opened. Shetty
Which
sir,
year?
Shetty ji, boliye. I think 2010 or something like that.
अच्छा.
And boliye. And I didn't know how to react. Straight look in the eye. Perfect. The people who had come, after the meeting was done, he said, okay, all done, thank you very much. Left, and then he spoke to me about just life and a few things. And I was in total awe. So, it's a human being who's made an impact. और मैं यही बोलता हूँ ना, आज आप अमेरिका जाओ, लंदन जाओ, यूरोप जाओ, इंडियन, you know,
आपको लगता है फर्क पड़ा?
बहुत फर्क पड़ा हुआ, बहुत ज्यादा फर्क पड़ा हुआ, बहुत ज्यादा. आप G7 में देखे ही ना, बोलने की बात छोड़िए, ऑडियो बंद कर दीजिए. I'm a visual medium guy. Cinema for me is visual medium. Sound वाउंड तो बाद में आया, टॉकी तो थी भी नहीं. आप साउंड निकालिए और आप विजुअली देखिए, बॉडी लैंग्वेज समझ लीजिए आप.
Anna, I want to start at the beginning. You were always not this exclusively viable, commercially successful. आपने जिंदगी में शुरुआत की है नीचे से.
Right.
मैं उस दौर के बारे में पूछना चाहती हूँ. How was your early life? You talk a lot about your father. I haven't heard much about your mother.
Mom, I mean, she's this little goddess of mine. I mean, someone who I absolutely worship, and she can do no wrong. Very, very supportive of everything that we did. I mean, today, other than restaurants, अगर मैं जिंदगी में कुछ कर रहा हूँ, it is purely because I'm blessed to have parents like that who said, yeah, your own life, go ahead, live it. Both of them saying one life to live. Mom was the kind, अगर she knew कि बेटा झूठ मुझसे कभी बोलेगा नहीं. You know, I think I grew up with that conscious कि पेरेंट्स के सामने कभी झूठ नहीं बोलना चाहिए, ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स के सामने. डर नहीं था, रिस्पेक्ट था, बहुत ज्यादा रिस्पेक्ट, क्योंकि कभी रोका नहीं उन्होंने मुझे, कभी भी किसी चीज से भी. तो जब रेस्टोरेंट से फोन करके बोल देता था कि माँ मैं लेट होऊंगा, मैं दोस्तों के साथ रहूंगा, 4 बजे सुबह अगर मैं एंटर करता तो लेटी रहती हॉल में, और अच्छा बेटा यू कम, कुछ खाओगे? नहीं माँ. आर यू श्योर? या ओके. डू यू नीड मी टू वेक यू अप? नो माँ, I'll get up. Okay. She'll go to sleep. No questions asked. Where were you? किसके साथ थे? दारू पिया है क्या पार्टी थी आपकी? कभी नहीं.
तो दारू नहीं पीते थे?
नहीं, कभी नहीं.
कभी नहीं. But
नहीं.
Even when you were running clubs.
Even a sip in my life I haven't had it.
क्यों?
Haven't had.
What is this?
क्योंकि मैं young age में martial arts की तरफ चला गया. But martial arts, the Okinawa Goju-Ryu style of martial arts, Sensei Pervez Mistry, Sensei Higuana, the oldest form, Japanese form of martial arts, जहाँ सिखाया गया था कि you cannot achieve anything in life if there are distractions in life. And alcohol, tobacco smoking was one of the biggest. At the age of 14 and 15, I was training the India Border Police, Indo-Tibetan Border Police, and the Maharashtra Police.
How did that happen?
Because of Sensei. Because when they used to come to him to train, and because I was one of the seniors, he used to allow me to conduct those classes. तो आप सोचिए 14 साल और 15 साल के लड़के को सीनियर्स बाव कर रहे ऑफ रिस्पेक्ट. 6 महीने के बाद धो डालते थे, वो अलग बात है, क्योंकि वो लोग फिजिकली इतने स्ट्रांग थे, और वो उस उम्र में उतनी ही हो सकती. सब लोग वैभव सूर्यवंशी की ताकत देकर नहीं आए हुए हैं, यू नो. बट दैट वाज द रिस्पेक्ट. बट बिकॉज आई गॉट दैट रिस्पेक्ट, आई स्टार्टेड एंजॉयिंग दैट. It's always that way in life. The minute संगत सही हो, situation सही हो, जगह सही हो, प्यार और respect मिलता, then you start getting obsessed with that. You know, and That's what I think mom got in me. Believed in me blindly in everything I said or did to her. Her son was always right. And so that became a part of my DNA.
But sometimes that can be misused as
But fortunately, I didn't. Great friends.
it's a great lesson for mothers.
Yeah. No, but and sport was where I was in. तो मैं हमेशा मेरे दोस्तों को कहता हूँ कि आज ड्रग्स है, 100 रुपए की ड्रग्स आती है तो 90% तो सिस्टम में आता ही है. वर्ल्ड वाइड अगर आप भी देखोगे कहाँ से आता है, क्योंकि 100 अलग जगहों से आता है एंड इट गेट्स इनटू इट. बच्चों को दूर आप तब रख सकते हो जब आप उनको अवेयरनेस एक दोगे और दूसरा ऐसी चीज में इन्वॉल्व कर दोगे, यानी स्पोर्ट और एक्टिविटीज की ध्यान कभी जावे ही नहीं.
Health then becomes the priority.
The health become with me. Health is my priority. It's the boring consistency with which I do what I do that has kept me where I am. Everybody says कि
सुबह
करता क्या
5:30 बजे रोज.
हाँ दुनिया उल्टी
कभी
हो
रात
जाए.
को लेट नहीं हुआ कि
90% of the time उठ के मैं जाऊंगा ही जाऊंगा.
even if you have a late night.
Yeah, that's for me to punish myself. कि you did it, you enjoyed it, now bear with it. संडे हिलूंगा नहीं मैं. अगर 4 दिन बीमार था और किया भी नहीं संडे, आई एम फीलिंग गुड, आई विल नॉट. आई विल बी माई लेजी सेल्फ. आई डोंट वांट टू डू एनीथिंग, so but it's consistency.
तो बचपन में you saw your father struggling in life. I've read the stories
Yeah,
कि
yeah.
वो राइस के सैक पर सोते
सोते
थे
थे.
and then he started as a waiter and then you bought those 3 buildings
Yeah,
where he worked.
One of them is this.
ये
Yes,
जहाँ हम
which
बैठे?
which is what my father has built. It's not me. I say that's why I say I'm blessed. I mean, not mine in the sense I have 2 siblings, 2 sisters. It's very much our own. We don't even discuss properties or anything. See, that's where I'm blessed. That's where I'm blessed. A family, that's the biggest problem. Here all are saying, yours, 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 yours. Nobody is discussing it only. And I know that's the way it's going to be down the line with children, because they've known how to take care of their own.
Because you're everybody's Anna.
No, my sisters also like that. Never once ever asked, never discussed it. I know it sounds make-believe, but that's the way it is.
And when you first entered this building, when this was your father's building, when you first started a new business, what was that feeling like? क्योंकि सबको ये होता है कि मैं कुछ करके दिखाऊं अपने पेरेंट्स को. तो पहली ऐसी क्या चीज की थी जिससे आपको लगा कि हाँ ये जाके बताऊंगा कि डैड एंड मॉम मैंने ये किया?
जैसे देखिए रेस्टोरेंट, मैं अपग्रेडिंग ऑफ द रेस्टोरेंट्स, क्योंकि पिताजी एक रेस्टोरेंट चला रहे थे, दूसरा उनका मैनेजर चला रहा था, ये उनके भाई चला रहे थे. तो when I grew up is when I started telling dad, and I used to work with him tirelessly. I started when I was 14 and 15 with him. कॉलेज भी जाता था, रेस्टोरेंट भी चलाता था. डैड बोलते थे नहीं आप रेस्ट, ऐसे नहीं डैड, हाई देता था मुझे वो. और देन आई टोल्ड हिम लेट्स टेक ऑन द अदर रेस्टोरेंट आल्सो, हम चला लेंगे साथ में. देन डैड एंड मी यूज्ड टू रन द राउंड्स, एंड डू इट. देन वी टुक ओवर दिस. एंड अदरवाइज डैड ऑल्सो टॉट मी कि था बहुत उनके पास, लेकिन मेरे को इतना ही करना है क्योंकि मुझे टाइम देना है बच्चों को. तो लंच हमारे साथ था, वेनेस छुट्टियां थी तो बाहर जाना तय था, पिक्चर देखना तय था. अगर हमारे लिए वी वर ऑल वेरी फॉन्ड ऑफ चॉकलेट्स एंड स्टफ लाइक दैट, तो उनके दोस्त की दुकान पे जाके वहां से मेक योर चॉइस फॉर द वीक व्हाट यू वांट, वो तय था. तो growing up also it was there. When I came home, dad was there. When I came back in the evening, he was there. He was there for lunch, he was there for breakfast. Still restaurant चलाते थे, सब कुछ करते थे. तो I think that taught me a lot. And initial stage पे उन्होंने एक चीज़ वो उन्होंने जान लिया था कि लैमिंगटन रोड पे हमारा रेस्टोरेंट था, वो बहुत रफ एरिया था. तो 2 साल के 1.5 साल की उम्र में उन्हें पता था कि ये बच्चे हमारे अगर इस इलाके में रहेंगे तो वैसे ही निकलेंगे, जैसी संगत है वैसे निकलेंगे. तो बोरो करके उन्होंने वो नेपियन सी रोड में उन्होंने घर लिया. बेटर एरिया, बेटर स्कूल, बेटर नेबर्स. उससे फर्क बहुत पड़ा जिंदगी में. आई थिंक सो
मैंने तो कहीं पढ़ा था कि आपने किसी को उस रेस्टोरेंट के चलते किसी पुलिस वाले को मार भी दिया था कोई
मार दिया था फ्रॉम अ पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू कि वो पुलिस वाला बहुत सताता था हमें।
कहाँ था ये?
लैमिंगटन रोड में, क्योंकि बार चलता था तो वो लोगों को लेके आता था, बिलिंग फ्री बिलिंग में सब चाहता। तो उसने एक दिन मेरे इसको मारा था, मैनेजर को, और उसके वजह से मैं उससे मिलने गया था। और तब मैं महाराष्ट्र पुलिस को ट्रेन भी कर रहा था, तो ये नहीं था कि आई वाज प्रोबेबली 17 or 18 years old, and I went there, and he was drunk. यहाँ दारू पी के वहाँ गया था। तो मुझे पता था कि ये प्रॉब्लम है। और राजीव राय डायरेक्टर और शबीर मेरे दोस्त थे साथ में, और हम लोग गए थे वहाँ पर पुलिस स्टेशन में। जब गया तो मैं बोला, सर आपने मेरे मैनेजर को मारा। मैनेजर बचपन से पिताजी के साथ है, एंड इट गॉट हैंडेड, ही स्टार्टेड पुशिंग मी। दैट्स व्हेन आई whacked him because I was right, and instantly बाजू के पुलिस अफसर जो बैठा था उन्होंने ही मुझसे कहा कि जाके इसका टेस्ट करा दो, नायर हॉस्पिटल लेकर जाओ, इसका टेस्ट करा दो, दारू पिया हुआ, ऑन ड्यूटी।
ओके,
यू नो, सो आई हैव ऑलवेज बीन समबडी हु हैज बिलीव्ड कि अगर हम सही है ना, डरने की जरूरत ही नहीं। और मैं कभी नहीं डरा हूं। पिताजी पूछते थे, झूठ नहीं बोल रहा ना तो? ऐसे नहीं पापा, दैट्स इट। आई रिमेंबर दिस कॉप गोइंग होम एंड टेलिंग माय फादर आफ्टर अ फ्यू डेज कि आपके बेटे ने ये किया। ही डिडंट नो, ही वाज स्लीपिंग। दोपहर को सोते थे वो, सो के आया, मम्मी ने उसको बोला कि कोई पुलिस वाला आया। उनको लगा कि ये प्रॉब्लम की वजह से पुलिस वाले आए होंगे। आए बाहर, नमस्ते नमस्ते बोला, तो इससे आप बैठिए। पिताजी बैठे, और वो लुंगी शॉर्ट स्लीव का कुर्ता पहनते थे, पैर में चप्पल पहनते थे। तो बोले जी, तो बोले मैं ये, बोले हाँ मैं दास। मैं बोला कौन दास? इसे आपके बेटे ने जिसको ये किया। उन्होंने चप्पल उठा दी मारने के लिए कि बेटा एक चीज याद रखना, खाली हाथ आया था मैं, 2 या 3 रेस्टोरेंट्स हैं मेरे पास, सारे बेच दूंगा, गांव चला जाऊंगा, लेकिन मेरा बेटा सही है, तू गलत है। तू दारू पी के मेरे रेस्टोरेंट में आकर मेरे ही मैनेजर को मारा। हम हमारे स्टाफ को बच्चों की तरह रखते। ब्यूटी ऑफ उडुपी रेस्टोरेंट्स वही था कि सब गांव वाले ही, एंड लोकल महाराष्ट्रन्स, बिकॉज दे आर द मोस्ट हार्ड वर्किंग, और वहीं रहते थे, वहीं खाते थे, वहीं पीते थे, वही उनका घर था। हाउ डेयर यू डू दैट? सो आई स्टिल रिमेंबर हिम टेलिंग अदर पीपल, बेटा तो पागल है, बाप उससे भी ज्यादा पागल है। यू नो, दैट्स द वे दैट वाज।
So how did movies then happen?
Movies, I got an opportunity, स्टेज पे था मैं।
बलवान।
हाँ, मैं स्टेज पे था, शो चल रहा था मेरा मार्शल आर्ट्स का, एंड शबीर बॉक्स वाला फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन, वो राजीव राय को वहाँ लेकर आए थे। तो राजीव सेड, यार ये तो कमाल का एक्शन करता है, बॉडी भी अच्छी है। तो वहाँ से मेरी शुरुआत हुई, जहाँ मुझे अपॉर्चुनिटी मिला। एक फिल्म के लिए राजीव ने कहा हम ये फिल्म करेंगे, और जेपी दत्ता जी के वहाँ, अपना सिंगल साहब के वहाँ मुझे भेज दिया। was one of the biggest publicists and photographers, art painters,
and that
legend he is.
And he had all your pictures all over his studio.
So he had taken those pictures, and he said, this boy will make it as an action hero, you should do it. But then Rajiv जिस फिल्म के लिए मुझे लेने वाला था, वो इसलिए लेने वाला था क्योंकि उसके एक्टर बीमार था, I mean प्रॉब्लम थी कोई, and he said replacement, क्योंकि I have to go and shoot. वो एक्टर ठीक हो गया, तो I got dropped. But
which film was this?
था एक फिल्म,
बोलो ना।
I don't want to get into it.
आप you are an honest guy. आप तो सब कुछ बोलते हो।
नहीं, लेकिन वो क्या था, वो विश्वात्मा और वो टाइम पे था, तो that film got dropped. But he gave me Mohra with Akshay immediately after. और इन्होंने पोस्टर्स तो सब छपे हुए थे, तो इंडस्ट्री एनीवेज चाहती थी कि मैं फिल्में करूं उनके साथ. सो आई गॉट माई नेक्स्ट फिल्म विच वॉज एक्चुअली वक्त हमारा है विथ साजिद नादियाद वाला, बट क्योंकि बलवान सोलो हीरो फिल्म थी वो पहले रिलीज हुई. लेकिन उससे पहले मैंने प्रहलाद जी की एक फिल्म की आरजू, 100% कंप्लीट फिल्म, लेकिन प्रोड्यूसर और डायरेक्टर में प्रॉब्लम हो गया तो फिल्म शेल्व हो गई। तो आप सोचिए, पहली फिल्म आरजू, पहले राजीव की फिल्म करने वाला था, वो हुआ नहीं, तो सडनली बबल बर्स्ट हो गया। लेकिन सिंगल साहब थे तो ही सेड डोंट वरी दिस दैट, एंड राजीव सेड आई प्रॉमिस आई विल गिव यू समथिंग। फिर शुरू हुई आरजू। तब तक मैंने एक्टिंग क्लास को 2-4 दिन की किए थे, साउथ इंडियन, हिंदी डिक्शन ठीक नहीं, यू नो, ग्रामेटिकली और बम्बईया हिंदी मुश्किल था। तो मेरी एक्चुअल ट्रेनिंग हुई आरजू के दौरान, जब 50-60 दिन हम ऊटी में शूट किए, दैट वाज माय एक्टिंग क्लास। और फिर वो शेल्व हो गई। लेकिन आते ही नसीब देखिए, वरना आज के बच्चे बोलते हैं मेंटल स्ट्रेस, डिप्रेशन हो जाता है, ये हो जाता है, वो
मेंटल हेल्थ।
मैं फट करके दूसरे फिल्म में घुस गया था। एक्सरसाइज दबा के करता था तो बॉडी मेंटेन थी। आई गॉट द नेक्स्ट फिल्म एंड इन द वर्स्ट पीरियड, जब फिल्में नहीं चलती थी, वीडियो का ज़माना था कि हम घर में बड़ी टीवी लगाएंगे, वीडियो देखेंगे। अब कोई थिएटर जाएगा ही नहीं, तो बड़ी थिएटरें बंद हो रही थी। सिंगल थिएटर्स का ऑडियंस था क्योंकि उनके घर में टीवियाँ नहीं थी, तो बॉक्स नहीं था। तो आप देखिए, कहीं ना कहीं वो बैलेंस करके अगर हम उसको
परसिवियरेंस,
या
लगे रहना पड़ता है, जस्ट लाइक एक्सरसाइज,
मैनिफेस्टिंग ऑल्सो कि नहीं अच्छा ही होगा यार, उसमें क्या है। और मेरे में वो बात है कि मैं हमेशा घोड़े पे चलता हूँ। अ फाइनेंशियल लॉस इज नेवर कंसिडर्ड अ लॉस फॉर मी, अ लॉस ऑफ अ रिलेशनशिप, अ लॉस ऑफ अ पार्टनर,
ये अमीर आदमी कह सकता है।
नहीं, मैं कभी अमीर था, हम, यू नो द थिंग इज, बोलने के लिए अमीर थे, लेकिन इसीलिए साउथ इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट्स हमारे बंद हो गए सब, विद द कमिंग इन ऑफ द मैकडोनल्ड्स एंड द फ्रेंचाइजेस। हर कॉर्नर रेस्टोरेंट हमारा, क्योंकि रेंट परवड़ सकता था, लेकिन 60-70 लोगों को घर बना के मैनेज करना बहुत मुश्किल था। हम प्रॉब्ली पिताजी हमें एडुकेट करने के लिए और थोड़ी बेसिक चीज़ों के लिए, 10th स्टैंडर्ड तक मैं मैंगलोर के अलावा आई डोंट थिंक घूमने के लिए भी कहीं गया हूँ। सो फॉर देन अमीरी वो थी जब एक अच्छा घर, ढंग का घर था और 2 वक्त का खाना परफेक्ट मिलता था, जो रेस्टोरेंट से आता था। दूध हो, सामान हो, वेजिटेबल्स हो, वो सब तो रेस्टोरेंट से आता था। तो ऐसी अमीरी नहीं थी। यू नो, ही वॉज इन डेट टिल द टाइम माई सिस्टर गॉट मैरिड। घर जो बनाए बेटियों को एडुकेट करने के लिए, आई स्टिल रिमेंबर मॉम एंड डैड एंड मोस्ट ऑफ डैड मेरे साथ बैठ के कर रहे थे कि बेटा, एंड दिस वाज 70s, कि बेटी को बाहर भेजना मुझे एडुकेट करने के लिए, द ओल्डर वन, शी इज अ ब्रिलियंट स्टूडेंट। सो आई सेड या, एंड ही सेज देन
probably how much older to you is she?
1 year,
Okay.
just a year and a few months. And he says, then I don't have the money to do it again. Then, so I said, I'll work with you, Dad. We'll do it.
And she went abroad.
She went abroad, and then he sent the little one, who was 3 years younger to me, because by the time he did it and did it, and sent her too. Then one day he comes
And
to me
you were the one जो हाथ बटा रहे थे और पापा के साथ काम कर रहे थे।
Absolutely.
आपको ये नहीं लगा कि he was being unfair?
No, मैं तो खुश था क्योंकि मैं माँ बाप को छोड़ के कभी जा ही नहीं सकता था। I was so
पढ़ाई
attached
में
to
क्या
them.
हालचाल था?
ढंग का, बहुत अच्छा in the sense 60s and 70s, क्योंकि मैं obsessive sportsman था. I used to represent the school in every sport possible. Athletics, yes. Table tennis, yes. Football, yes. Cricket, yes. Absolute. And cricket outstanding. तो मुझे हमेशा
तो
लगा
फिर
था
क्रिकेट क्यों नहीं खेला?
क्योंकि पॉलिटिक्स बहुत ज़्यादा था तब। Probably I wasn't good enough also, लेकिन बहुत ज़्यादा पॉलिटिक्स था। You know, and IPL has come and opened out the entire, लोग है ना IPL को
तो
गाली
वो
देते
जो अरमान थे वो अब सन इन लॉ से पूरे हो गए?
हाँ हो गए 100%। लेकिन नर्वस इतना रहता हूँ सन इन लॉ खेलते वक्त कि देखता भी नहीं हूँ।
नहीं देखते?
नहीं, हाईलाइट्स देखता हूँ।
क्यों?
पता नहीं,
स्ट्रेस?
सन एंड टू मच स्ट्रेस।
Why?
जजमेंटल बहुत हो गया है ना, हर चीज वो नहीं खेला, 2 में नहीं खेला, 3 में नहीं खेला, ये बोले वो बोले। सो आई फील नहीं यार, व्हेन आई डोंट वॉच ही डज वेल, तो फिंगर्स क्रॉस। मैं गेम्स जाना छोड़ दिया, वरना सुनील शेट्टी तो हर क्रिकेट गेम में आगे चिल्लाता रहता था, यू नो, कहीं भी।
आप नहीं जाते हो?
एब्सोल्युटली नहीं।
आईपीएल देखने ही नहीं जाते?
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं जाता। बिल्कुल नहीं जाता. एक गेम के लिए गया था, आई थिंक वानखेड़े में था वो गेम, और आगे खड़ा था मैं और माना आगे खड़े थे, और माना ने कुछ कहा और मैंने ऐसे देखा और फर्स्ट बॉल था एंड राहुल गॉट बोल्ड ऑन द फर्स्ट बॉल. उसके बाद जो मैं अंदर जाके बैठा हूं, मैं निकला ही नहीं मैच के एंड तक, लेकिन फिर भी मीडिया ने ढूंढ के निकाला और वो एक्सप्रेशन में डाला हुआ था. तो इतना डर चुका हूं मैं,
मेहनत हम भी बहुत
आई एम
करते हैं.
स्कार्ड, सो दूर रहता हूं इससे.
लेकिन आप टोकते हो, यू नो, बिकॉज यू हैव सो मच ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स एंड
Yeah,
क्रिकेट.
yeah.
डू यू एडवाइज योर सन इन लॉ? डू यू टेल हिम ये ऐसे नहीं वैसे?
No, never, because I honestly believe, you know, it's not that he I started following him after he was my son-in-law. I used to follow him before. Karnataka, Mangalore, probably 3 kilometers from where I was born, he was born. I loved his format, his game, because I loved Rahul Dravid. I loved Sunil Gavaskar. My lineage has come from people who were perfect cricketers in the we, and I used to adore him as a player. You know, so I was always
The
a big
art of the
of the sport.
traditional
Yes,
cricket.
yes, and the kind of person he was. So I think I seriously manifested, and everybody says that you manifested him to be a part of your family, because I've always wanted. Even Athiya, when Mana told, I remember telling Mana and me sitting in a discussion and saying, you know what, we need to put the kids into an American school. We don't want them to feel privileged and special in any other school. An American school, across the board, they don't care. Parents, teachers, you have to be there. You're treated as one. No stardom, vardam, and all that. So the only argument was, how will Ahan play cricket? Because they don't have cricket. You know, so my obsession was also about wanting him to be a sportsman and represent the country in a sport.
So tell me, how did you meet Mana in college? You know, you were sweethearts since then.
I think-
How your parents were okay with the wedding? How
No.
did all that happen? That
I
phase
think
of your life.
Mana, as she must have been 17, I must have been 22, and we used to hang at Nepean Sea Road. There's this place called Pastry Palace and Wonderworld, and Jackie Dada, me, or we were known as the bad boys of that area for no other reason that long hair, button khulle, but that was bad about us. No alcohol, nothing of that sort, but probably look like the alpha male and gundas. So we were always, you know, these are the boys who hang out there. And Mana used to come to trade DVDs from one of the stores there. And that's when I saw, and I, very quiet, pretty looking thing, and I wanted to get to know her. So then I made sure that a friend of mine knew her sister and got to know her sister, and convinced her to get her to one of the parties that we were at. And I realized that she likes bikes a lot. I had a bike, but I had a rickety one. So I left that and I told a friend of mine, "Tu bike lekar aaja, and I'll ask her whether she wants to go on the bike." I thought she'd say no. She said, "Yeah, I love bikes, and like this little kid." And I went down and I realized it was a Honda. So the Honda was exactly opposite. The gears and all was the opposite of the Bullet that I had. I didn't know how to operate it. He's looking from up and I'm saying, how do I do it? And then I said, new bike and this, that, and made an excuse, got him to come down, started it. Because it was different, the bike used to keep jerking on the run. So she thought I was doing it purposely because I wanted her to come closer to me. And that was not the case. We argue about that with the children even today. But the fact is...
But it worked.
It worked. And that's how we met. And then, of course, it took a long time. It took nearly 9 years for my parents to agree to the fact that, you all are made for each other. Because they kept saying different communities. You're a South Indian boy. Will she fit in? She comes from an affluent family. How will it work? But then I guess some things...
Sometimes matches are made in heaven.
And I was very clear that I had always told Mom that I won't marry her, but I won't marry anybody else either. If you believe that I'm going to get into an arranged marriage, it won't happen. I wouldn't want to ruin lives. So let's leave it that way. And I'm doing exactly what you want. And I'm also, you know, being faithful to the girl who's put all her trust in me and is willing to wait forever. And it worked. And my first film, Arzu, I was at the airport. Mom was in America because I think my sister was delivering or something like that. And I was going, and she said, I want to come to the airport to see you off. I said, yeah. And Dad is not the kind who would come to the airport to see you off and all. And he just gets up and says, you know what, you're going to the airport, I'll drop you. Your first film, all the best. Though he's never come to my shoot ever. Maybe once for a Muhurat or something, never ever. It's so simple. And I can't say no to him. So he drives me to the airport. When I come to the airport, she's standing here. I don't know how to react and I don't know what to do. That old airport.
There were no cell phones also to forewarn somebody.
Absolutely. Or itni choti airport. The earlier airport wasn't like this. T1. So met, and then he saw her and he says, she's there, go say bye to her. So I went and I said bye and stuff like that. And she said, Dad, my God, what will happen? I said, nothing, just keep quiet, you carry on home. And I left, didn't even look back, left. Ooty, Bangalore, from Bangalore airport, I tried calling her house, they said she's not there. Said, okay, drove to Ooty. Ooty was 5-6 hours of a drive. Reached there, I called at night, evening, and she's not there. So I said, where is she? She's saying, Subhe gayi, aayi nahi. I was bloody, didn't know what was happening. And I said, let me call Dad. And I called home. And she says, hello.
She picked up the phone.
Yeah, so you're dialing in. The thing is,
Soch kuch aur rahe ho.
yeah, I said, I just called home and then they said you're not there and you answered. She's saying, but where did you call? I was confused. I said, yeah, I called home. I called Prithvi. She's saying, that's where I am. So I said, what do you mean? Dad had taken her home. He said, sit, took her home, sat with her, understood, didn't go to the restaurant. They spent 10 or 11 hours together.
He got to know her. And you didn't know anything.
No, I didn't know anything. And I didn't know how to react because respect and that, no, I've always head down with him. I've never said a word. Of course, work, arguments, all those little things, but never. And then from the next day onwards, every evening when he woke up, she had to be with him. And that relationship grew till his dying day, till the last moment. Anything. He said, Mana. And no other name. So she was more the daughter than me, the son. She used to hold her hand and she used to sit when he was paralyzed and sit like that. She'll give him a peppermint also, no? Say, gone. It's amazing.
The relationship she built with him. And you're emotional about it.
Yeah. Because it's so beautiful.
You're a relationship guy.
No, you know what? I always feel it's us parents who have to make that daughter who comes from outside feel comfortable. You know, they say, no, daughter-in-law is like that. It's that mother who has to, again, step up like she's just delivered another baby girl in the house and accept that daughter like that. And the game changes. And because of that, I think, you know, somewhere down the line, Mana and me are so conscious about every child who comes from outside, whether it's Rahul. You see, Mana and Rahul, it's magical. It's magical, the relationship. Even mine with Rahul. I never say son-in-law. I honestly believe he's my son. Yeah. So beautiful, very conscious that we know when the daughter-in-law comes, whatever it may be, how do we have to be as parents? Because you've seen it, you've experienced it. That, I think 60 days, every day she was at home with him. Every single day. A 25, 26-year-old girl spending every evening with her father-in-law and not doing anything else. And enjoying the company. And she enjoyed it till his last day.
But it also talks about the commitment and the love she felt for you.
Yeah, absolutely.
Unconditional.
Yeah.
She was willing to wait. And that's the beauty of relationship.
Yeah.
Do you think those kind of relationships still exist? Has the world changed?
I think-
Have relationships changed? Has the metric changed?
I think the virtual world has created this typical mother-in-law, daughter-in-law, brother, son, a very weird kind of a world that has been created. Because there, existence means you can go to any extent. I always say, abuse is views. किसी को
गाली दे दो चलेगा खूब वायरल हो.
हाँ, आपको गाली दे दूंगा तो 10 आदमी जो राइवल जब उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा काम किया
मार्शल
आपने-
आर्ट्स और नॉट, आप मुझे गाली दे के देखो.
नहीं, मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ ना कि इतना खराब हो चुका है कि असली दुनिया क्या है, ओरिजिनल प्यार क्या है, रिलेशनशिप क्या है, क्यों हम एक दूसरे के लिए खड़े रहने चाहिए, वो रहा ही नहीं ना.
वो नहीं रहा ना.
नहीं,
एवरीथिंग
social
इज पीआर ना.
या एवरीथिंग इज पीआर. इसीलिए जब मीटू आया हमारी इंडस्ट्री में, या ये ड्रग्स और कोकेन का आया, कौन रिप्रेजेंटेटिव कहाँ था ही नहीं, क्योंकि सब बिखरे हुए हैं. हमारे जमाने में, हमारे टाइम पे आता तो पूरी इंडस्ट्री एकजुट होती, एकजुट होके हम खड़े रहते.
हाँ, बॉयकॉट बॉलीवुड एक
Absolute,
कितना बड़ा ट्रेंड
कितना
चला
बड़ा
था.
ट्रेंड, कितना बड़ा ट्रेंड था, लेकिन कोई है ही नहीं खड़े रहने के लिए. आपको किसी के भी, अगर पीएम के सामने, होम के सामने अगर कोई खड़ा रह सकता है तो वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ आपके वर्कर्स है जो दुनिया, लेकिन वो ही साथ नहीं रहे क्योंकि उनको कोई संभाल ही नहीं, संभाल एजेंसीज, लोग जो इर्द गिर्द रहते हैं और बताते हैं कि हमको हमारी जिंदगी कैसे चलानी चाहिए. इट्स इम्पोर्टेंट कि ये इमेज होना चाहिए. एयरपोर्ट पे जाओ तो हमेशा नए कपड़े होने चाहिए. अरे मैं जिंदगी भर कपड़े रिपीट करता आया हूं यार. आज ये नया क्या है, कौन ट्रेंड, हम जब थे, हम जो पहनते थे वो ट्रेंड बन जाता था. अब जो दुनिया बोल रही है ट्रेंड है, आप पहन के घूम रहे हो, तो हर एक्टर एक ही दिखने लगे. आधे टाइम तो आप स्क्रीन पे देखो तो स्पेशली द गर्ल्स, आपको फर्क नहीं समझ में आएगा, क्योंकि हेयर ये ब्रांड का, लिपस्टिक वो ब्रांड का, मेकअप ये ब्रांड का, बोटॉक्स वो ब्रांड का. दिस इज द प्रॉब्लम. नथिंग इज रियल, एवरीथिंग इज फेक.
बट डू यू थिंक इवन फॉर मूवीज, आजकल मूवी रिलीज होने से पहले या कंसेप्चुअलाइजेशन स्टेज पर ही एक परसेप्शन, नैरेटिव बिल्डिंग, पीआर, क्या कंटेंट पे ध्यान कम हो गया है और इन चीजों पे ज्यादा हो गया? इज दैट व्हाई?
एक्सेल शीट पे ध्यान ज्यादा हो गया.
विच इज,
फिल्म का चलना बहुत जरूरी है. कोऑपरेट्स आ गए. सो कोऑपरेटाइजेशन ने जितना अच्छा किया इंडस्ट्री के लिए, उतना ही नुकसान भी किया हुआ है. क्योंकि फिल्में आज, फिल्म चली या नहीं आपको पता ही नहीं. फ्राइडे सैटरडे संडे आपको पता ही नहीं, क्योंकि फैब्रिकेटेड कलेक्शंस है. शेयर प्राइस 10 रुपया बढ़ गया तो मार्केट कैप बढ़ गया. यहाँ 25 करोड़ का इन्वेस्टमेंट क्या है, तो ये सोच लेते हैं कि 25 करोड़ हम वीकेंड में डाल देंगे टिकट्स लेके, क्योंकि 50% तो वापस आ जाएगा. तो ये मैथ्स चला रहा है, कंटेंट नहीं चला रहा है. क्रिएटिव लोग फिल्में नहीं बना
so
रहे.
are you saying that the producers and the people themselves buy the tickets?
They have to blame. They are playing that game, and I dare anybody to say कि no, this doesn't happen. It happens, and that's why we are.
So you create a hype कि theaters are full.
Absolutely. Genuine hits तो पता चलता ही है ना. आज धुरंधर genuine hit है, आज बॉर्डर genuine hit है. बहुत सारी फिल्में हैं जो आप शेयर्स के चक्कर में ये कर रहे हो, ये भूलते हुए कि, और प्लस इन्फ्लेशन ऑफ कॉस्ट, क्योंकि
एवरी टिकट
टर्नओवर के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से, ये पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से, अगर फिल्में सही बजट पे बने और सही तरीके से मार्केटिंग हो, फिल्में चलेगी, क्योंकि पीपल वांट टू सी गुड फिल्म्स, पीपल वांट टू सी फिल्म्स। तो ये डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर चला गया है। पहले तो हर सिटी में, हर स्टेट में एक डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर था,
उसका पर्सनल स्टेक होता था टू मेक इट सक्सेस।
उसकी डिपेंडेंस थी, तो वो थिएटरों पे जाना, पोस्टर्स लगाना। आज इसने बोल दिया कि हाउसफुल है, ठीक है, पिक्चर चल रही है कि नहीं आधे लोगों को नहीं मालूम। सो दिस होल, जैसे स्टार्टअप के साथ हुआ, कैश बर्न कैश बर्न कैश बर्न, अब कौन स्टार्टअप्स पे इन्वेस्ट करने के लिए रेडी है पहले जैसा? प्रूफ ऑफ बिजनेस, ड्यू डिलिजेंस इतना होता है कि इट्स डिफिकल्ट। यहाँ नहीं होता। फिल्में बना रहे हैं हम इंडियन सब्जेक्ट्स की बात कर रहे हैं और फिल्में बन रही है लंदन में, क्योंकि सब्सिडीज 40% मिल रहा है। तो आप सब्सिडीज के लिए फिल्म बना रहे हो या स्टोरी के लिए फिल्म बना रहे हो? सो मैथ हैज टेकन ओवर, एंड वेयरएवर मैथ टेक्स ओवर, इन अ क्रिएटिव वर्ल्ड मैथ कांट टेक ओवर।
आपको लगता है रिलेशनशिप्स पे या कुछ स्टोरीज पे काम ही नहीं हो रहा? मतलब फिल्में, आई मीन धड़कन, you've done a धड़कन,
yeah, but so simple. आप फिल्म देखिए,
लव ट्रायंगल,
absolutely focus on music, focus on content and perfect budget. तो all these things matter. Distribution is out, theaters गए हुए हैं, experience of going to a theater is a 2,000 rupee experience. So
not everybody can afford
not
it.
everybody. Even if they can do
For fewer films.
1 in 2 months. So the choice is out of 15 films, 1 film. So are you the lucky one? Have you made the right impact on the teaser and the trailer? Does your content look good enough? Because buying out reviews is also easy today. It's happening constantly. You see typical writing, and where are the media houses? 4 गिने चुने बचे होंगे, बाकी तो सब paparazzi है ना, self-proclaimed, self-made. They haven't gone to film school or media school or learned journalism and put it out the right way. How do you
analyze
a film? Critical appreciation of cinema is what helps the growth of cinema, not completely wiping out with criticism or praising it like, Mughal-e-Azam or Mother India has been made.
And there is a lot of trolling. I mean, your reaction to trolling is also legendary. Gussa aata hai when they troll Ahan, for instance, recently?
No, Ahan hasn't been trolled as much. Fortunately with border and stuff like that, he hasn't. We've been saved. But you see from a cricket perspective, at times they talk about Rahul. It hurts because your stats say you're the numero uno. Are you going to go with stats? Are you going to go? How are you?
Or perception?
Yeah, absolute. So then it hurts. But Rahul has taught me a hell of a lot. Ki performance matters, and let's stay focused on performance. And these kids at the same time teach you so much. It's unbelievable.
But when you sit at home, when you or are all sitting at the dining table, what is the conversation like? When some trolling is happening.
We never discuss careers.
You don't discuss it?
Careers, no. No. Brush it off. Yeah. We completely brush it off. It doesn't matter to me only. It doesn't matter to me at all.
But it must be impacting him, and doesn't
of
that
course it
impact
does,
you?
but he doesn't show it. That's what I'm saying. That kid these kids are tough. I mean, today, why only Rahul? You take any cricketer who's done so well in the last few years and hasn't got his due. I mean, you feel for the kids, but then somewhere down the line, Rahul's obsession is, I have to play all formats. I have to play India. Full stop. He'll not say a word about others. There's no discussion. Like I say, we honestly discuss. We don't discuss careers. We discuss character. What is the impact that we're going to have on people? And that is the only thing that can negate all this shit that comes up. I mean, I haven't done anything, I mean, minutely substantial also in the last 4-5 years. You know, from a film perspective, okay, my few shows and stuff like that. But you're relevant. And that is because whatever you do it with heart. So everything else is negative.
You're doing a film even
No,
now.
I am now. But what I'm trying to say is, can Sunil Shetty do Welcome to the Jungle without Akshay Kumar? No, you can't. Because you need Akshay Kumar for the scale of it. And I'm aware of all these things. And I always say it openly. But
You're okay.
I don't
to
feel
be-
inferior or anything because I have my positives. I know what I'm doing beautifully at. And I'm very secure. Nobody can make me feel insecure. And my mindset is I am who I am. My attitude depends on who you are. You show me love and I'll bend over. You show
So how
me
do you get
attitude.
along with Akshay? I mean, you've done
No,
so
no,
many films.
brilliantly.
But he's the star, bigger than you.
Absolutely.
Doesn't impact you
No,
on
it
the
doesn't
set?
impact because it doesn't impact my performance. I've got that confidence in the performance. I've made mistakes in my career.
Like,
You know, like 80% of my films were with first-time directors. That is still okay, but it was also with first-time producers who probably couldn't produce a film the way films needed to be produced. You know, hand-to-mouth existence.
did you do it out of dosti?
100% I did.
कि ये अच्छा आदमी है इसका कर देते हैं.
100%. 100%. And I know that, and even they know that. And that's why the term Anna. Somewhere down the line, Anna is also a way of showing love to you. And that's why I
So
don't.
you paid the price.
I paid the price, but then.
Would you have it any other way?
No, because I've learned so much and I've grown so much. I grasp a hell of a lot. Today,
Dil se Anna.
absolutely.
No.
No.
No regret.
No regret.
If you had
at
to
all.
replay life, what are the films you would not have done, or you should not have done?
You know, the thing is, I would have chosen the producers better. The producers are people who make or break a film. Producers, the one who knows how to distribute, producers who knows how to market, how to sell a film, choose the right date of a film. You can make a great film. But if it's sandwiched between giants, you get lost also. So a producer is someone who not...
Strategic.
unfortunately- Absolutely.
But अब तो corporates हैं, so those corporate studios will
लेकिन
take those calls.
वो खरीदने भी चाहिए ना फिल्में. कौन खरीद रहा है फिल्में आज OTT प्लेटफॉर्म भी बहुत कम खरीद रहे. तो अगर आप सोच रहे हो कि आपको फिल्म बनाना है, आपको पास OTT नहीं है, आपके पास सैटेलाइट मार खाया हुआ है, you're depending on theatrical and that's a big risk. The whole game has become a very tough one. So the only way you can say, according to me and my experience says, the only way you can save yourself is do a great budgeted film and get your actors to come in the back end of a film. Like Welcome to the Jungle was possible because Akshay didn't take a fee.
क्यों?
Because he said वरना फिल्म नहीं बनेगी, इतनी हेवी हो जाएगी.
Heavy तो है, इतने सारे लोग हैं उसमें.
वो है, लेकिन फिर भी it can afford it. But if Akshay would have taken his fee and added on another X amount of crores onto the budget, it wouldn't work. The math wouldn't work. So now what is he believing will make it work? The success. So what do you work towards? Great content. You know, Shah Rukh Khan, Salman Khan will always make films and continue to make films, and the producers will always prosper because they've always been your partner in a project. You know, at times people might say बहुत ज़्यादा ले रहे, but that's not important. Film सही deliver हो, वर्करों को पैसे मिले, बाकी सारी लोगों को पैसे मिले और प्रोड्यूसर भी कमाए, that's a good film. It's not कि मैंने बना तो दिया, उसके बाद क्या मैं उससे ज़्यादा लॉस खा रहा हूँ.
पर जैसे अब I mean the latest controversies about this Dawn 3 thing. Farhan Akhtar must have put in, you know, money into the project, and then those producers guilds and whatever organizations are, they say they'll ban the actor who's
Nobody
walked out.
can ban an actor. Nobody can ban art. Nobody has the right to. The Supreme Court will throw out the matter in a second. and see the problems that have happened, both sensible. I mean, Farhan is also a very, very sensible actor, producer, and a director, and even Ranveer, he's seeing great times. I think if they sit together, it'll be resolved.
But
It'll definitely be resolved.
do you think they must not have gone through that phase of sitting
Yeah,
together?
yeah,
Do you
but-
think Anna can do some?
No, I wouldn't want to
You know what?
interfere here also, but because I think a lot of people have already spoken, and somewhere down the line, once again, I honestly feel, knowing Farhan and knowing Ranveer, if they sit together, they can create magic. And because it's a high, Ranveer's on an absolute high, you know, and Dawn is a great project to be a part of. You know, started with the legendary Mr. Bachchan, then goes on to Shah Rukh, and it can't get bigger and better. So it's for them, sense to prevail, better sense to prevail, and do. And somebody saying, I will ban this and ban that and all that. You can't ban anything like that. Who are you to ban? Try and understand that this kid has given you a 3,500 crore revenue to the industry. I mean, the team. Why would you want to ban him? बिकने वाली चीज को अगर आप बैन करोगे तो आप क्या मांग रहे हो?
वैसे ही कुछ चल नहीं रहा.
Exactly. तो वो सब बैन वैन से सब ठीक है. ये बोलने की बातें होती है.
So, Sunil, I want to ask you, where is filmmaking going from here? What is the solution to the current kind of imbroglio that we are seeing?
Content.
Content तो है सबके पास.
गलत. I'm telling you from a mass. See,
तो कैसी होनी चाहिए?
if you look at it that way, बहुत लंबा है. First of all, cinema is the best way to convey whatever message you want to convey. So whether it's tourism, whether it's the center, they have to believe that cinema is your growth and your ambassador for the rest of the world. So somewhere down the line, the government should genuinely come in and look at it, because there are 13 or 14 languages that are making films and industries that are making films. You've got to get your theatre act together. Subsidies, like for so much, for IT and everything, subsidies are being given, tax rebates are being given. That has to come in. Don't look at entertainment from a point of view of नहीं इनको तो टैक्स मारना ही है और इसको खत्म करना. इसको हम खड़े कैसे कर सकते हैं और भारत को इसके थ्रू खड़े कैसे कर सकते हो, वो आपको देखना. आपका हर प्रोग्राम जो आप बात कर रहे हो,
आपकी इंडस्ट्री को तो गवर्नमेंट इंटरवेंशन चाहिए ही नहीं, सिर्फ टैक्स ब्रेक्स एंड पैसे.
नहीं, क्यों? आप अगर थिएटर्स बनाएंगे, आपकी नैरेटिव्स आप बोल सकते हो ना. आप इतने सारे प्रोग्राम्स चल रहे हैं अपने यहाँ. use this platform to push it out.
But when those stories are made, I mean, have you seen the kind of vitriol that comes out from the same industry?
But that doesn't matter.
कश्मीर फाइल्स की आपने देखा कि लोग क्या क्या कहते हैं. I mean, everything in that film is based on real incidents that actually happened. Now, people say कि ये propaganda है.
धुरंधर में भी आपने ये तो चलते रहने दीजिए ना. जो लोग बोलते हैं वो बोलते ही रहेंगे. उनका काम ही है बोलना. शायद they are being paid to do that. कि आप बोलो. मैं अगर सही हूं तो if I believe in something, I'll go with it. If I don't, I don't. अब मुझे भी मैं एक ट्वीट करूं या किसी भी चीज लिखूं गवर्नमेंट के बारे में या in favor of the person I am fond of, the honorable, absolutely. गाली पड़ती है मुझे, ठीक है.
पड़ती है?
हाँ, बहुत पड़ती है.
तो बॉलीवुड में ये डिवाइड लाइक है.
डिवाइड, they won't have the guts to tell me anything. अगर मैं जानूं कि वो कौन है, मैं उसके पीछे पड़ जाऊंगा. मैं वैसे छोड़ूंगा नहीं. लेकिन मैं बोल रहा हूँ जनरल जो फीडबैक है, गाली है, ठीक है. आई एम लुकिंग एट इट फ्रॉम द प्रोग्रेस दैट इज हैपनिंग. मैं साउंड ऑफ करके G7 समिट की क्लिपिंग देखता हूँ, ताकि अगर कोई बोले कि प्रोपेगेंडा है, बॉडी लैंग्वेज समझता हूँ. मैं देख रहा हूँ कि हमारे पीएम से मिलने के लिए कितने लोग खड़े हैं, बाकी लोगों को से मिलने के लिए कितने लोग खड़े, मैं वो देखता हूँ. सो मैं बहुत सारे लोग
हो गए क्या एज अ नेशन?
हाँ, आई थिंक एज अ नेशन नहीं. ये ये जो सोशल मीडिया है ना, थोड़ा हमें, जैसे आज सुना यहाँ बैन डाल रहे हैं, अंडर 15 सोशल मीडिया प्रेजेंस होनी ही नहीं चाहिए बच्चों के लिए. आई थिंक यहाँ कुछ ना कुछ ऐसे लेकर आना, ये फ्रीडम बहुत ज्यादा ही हो गया है. यू नो,
वो किसी ने कहा था, एंड दैट पर्सन वाज पैंड सो मच कि वी हैव टू मच डेमोक्रेसी. वैसे आप कह रहे हो टू मच फ्रीडम है
बच्चों के लिए 15 एंड अंडर, क्योंकि उनको इन्फ्लुएंस बहुत ज्यादा हो रहा है. यू नो, दे नीड टू फोकस ऑन द एजुकेशन, on sport, on relationships and growing naturally. You know, आज बोल रहे हैं जापान में कर रहे हैं, ऑस्ट्रेलिया, यूके. रीजन होगा ना, रीजन होगा. आई मीन, get them off that mental pressure and the peer pressure and delivery. Let children grow like children.
So when you talk about children, how's life changed after you have become from Anna to Nana?
Oh, I love it. I think that's a caption I like even more than Anna, Nana. Absolute blissful. I mean, my mornings begin with my cool down. I go to the gym at 5:45. From 5:45 to 7:30 is where I train, I do everything. And then I generally do a 15-minute cool down. And the coolest down is because she comes down at 7:30. So she'll knock and say, Aju, Aju, that's what she calls me.
Okay.
And that's my cool down. Then from there till around 9 o'clock, it's she, me and the grandmother at home. So, and in the evenings, I know that her time is from 5 o'clock onwards. Then I'm
मन नहीं लगता है कहीं?
नहीं, withdrawal symptoms आ जाते हैं. You know, लोग कहते हैं ना कि अल्कोहल से withdrawal symptoms आते हैं, मुझे यहाँ आता है.
And then what is it? I mean, what do you do different? अपने बच्चे होते तो हम उनको डिसिप्लिन करते हैं. ग्रैंड चिल्ड्रन में वो प्रेशर नहीं होता ना?
नहीं, वो प्रेशर नहीं होता, क्योंकि जो स्ट्रेसफुल चीजें हैं वो माँ बाप संभाल लेते हैं. तो वी जस्ट एंजॉयिंग देम, एंड द ब्यूटी इज दैट दे स्टे इन द सेम बिल्डिंग एज वी डू. सो ये नहीं कि दूर जाना पड़ता है. मॉर्निंग, इवनिंग, नाइट, सोते एंड मोमेंट तक टाइम मिलता ही है हमारे साथ.
And does your daughter not complain? आतिया बोलती नहीं?
She loves it. She loves it.
कि मेरे को तो इतना आपने लाइसेंस नहीं
लेकिन
दिया था.
पापा और अम्मा ने उतना ही वक्त दिया था ना, because she used to live with them. We had 2 flats on the same floor. One side my parents and the grandkids, and the smaller side, because it was a single bedroom. I mean, it was more like a suite, Mana and me. So the kids always lived with them. तो उनको तो 365 days a year, 24/7 मिला था.
So the tradition continued.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Tell me. We were talking about cricket earlier. If you weren't an actor, would you have been a cricketer?
Because I couldn't become an cricketer, I
You
became
an actor. अच्छा, rebound पे.
Yeah, rebound.
And you've made
Absolutely.
this as your career.
Probably I was meant to entertain. I was born to entertain, and that's what happened. So I'm blessed.
And how did you react when there were those social media viral visuals when the Lucknow team had lost against, I think, the Hyderabad team?
Yeah, the thing is, we haven't spoken about it, and I honestly
Don't
believe.
give me all that.
No, I'm not kidding. Honestly believe.
Those pictures of the team owner.
You always believe that something, it was a wrong day for either one of them, that they got into, whether it was an argument, whether it was a discussion, we're not aware. I've never spoken to Rahul about it. He's never discussed this matter at home. It hurt because it was projected like, it's the end of the world.
Types.
Yeah. End of the world. But then, when it came to social media, Rahul never got any flack at all. Instead
in fact,
it was,
people stood up for him.
Yeah, they stood up for him. But my question always is and was also, ki everybody has a good day or a bad day. So probably that was one day when Sanjeev ji said something and it got stuck onto national television. And when it gets
So
stuck
no hard
onto
feelings?
No hard feelings, not at all. Genuinely no hard feelings. Even with Rahul. Rahul has no hard feelings, and if he did, he'd probably spoken to them. We've never discussed it.
तुम डिस्कस क्या करते हो खाने की टेबल
जनरल सारी चीजें डिस्कस होगी,
Movies नहीं
फैमिली,
discuss करते,
ट्रैवल,
cricket नहीं discuss-
ट्रैवल नहीं, ऐसे नहीं कि डिस्कस नहीं करते. मूवी बफ है, राहुल इज एन एब्सोल्यूट मूवी बफ, एंड स्पोर्ट, क्रिकेट, he'll watch everything. We discuss it, but we discuss it from a point of view of यार इसको टीम में होना चाहिए यार. You know, he's a great player and he needs to be there. Or who are the kids you believe are fantastic and will make it?
So
क्योंकि मुझे
you
ये
have your
शौक
own dream team.
absolutely, और मुझे शौक पहले भी था. Even when I just become an actor, I used to go all the way to Wankhede and sit down and watch the young kids play. You know, aspiring India players. So I used to, even Dilip Vengsarkar and all used to call me and say, Anna, come, see, Suni, come watch these boys play. They are damn good. So I've done it all my life. And I love watching younger players.
As a parent, how's your relationship different with Ahan and Athiya? What are the differences that you
Between
have?
the two of them, or between
We-
my
Your
father and me?
No, between them. How, matlab, every parent say they love their children equally.
Yeah.
Yeah, they do. But uनका तरीका अलग-अलग होता है.
You know, with Ahan, I'm more man to man. Of course, we have a very physical relationship also. That hug, that kiss, that always physical with him. Yeah. And he doesn't mind it.
He
also.
doesn't mind?
Oh, not at all. He doesn't mind
Otherwise-
it at all. Stricter with Ahan, and probably more lenient with Tia because she bullies you also. Every daughter knows how to bully that father, and they just manage it. I don't know what is it about you all that that magic that you all have in your father, and look at the son in a more, you know, you need to do this, be careful of this, be careful of that health, you know, what are you doing? So you're very cautious about all that. Daughter, you let go because she mothers you. She mothers you completely.
And manipulates you.
Yeah, completely. Tia has been doing it since day one, and now this little one has come.
So it's double trouble.
Double trouble. Absolute double trouble.
So can you ever say no to anything that
No.
they say?
No, never. I don't.
और
even-
आहान को मना कर देते हो?
आहान को
और
मना
वो?
कर देता हूँ.
क्या मना करते हो?
अभी आज अगर उसको फुटबॉल खेलने जाना है and it's raining and he's playing and I always tell him, Ahan, be careful, yeah, you got a film coming, yeah. Why do you have to do that? Why do you have to play football? Play something else. You know, so that father bit, or ki, you know what, you need to sleep early, stop this gaming, get up early, you'll feel fresh, you'll feel good.
So
all those-
doesn't he follow your regimen?
No, he does. He is, but today's kids sleeping early, no
Nahin,
chance.
possible
no,
nahi hai na.
no. Ahan is obsessed with National Geography and Animal Kingdom and his sport and what is happening in the world, and so he's always watching and learning so much new, and then he keeps sending me all the new things that are happening. So he's a very...
Do you manage his career in the sense of advising, keeping an
We
eye?
discuss, for sure. What not to do.
Does
rather
he
than
come
what-
up to you and say,
He does. You know, I'm blessed there that Ahan is someone who comes and discusses everything. He's very clear that what he doesn't want to do. More than what he wants to do. You know, wants to.
do you
is
feel
if it
tense
comes-
about
I do.
how successful
I
he
do.
will be or
I
whether his film will
No,
do?
I'm not worried about his success. I'm always worried about failure because this is a industry that doesn't spare you. You know, people. I mean, so many times. You know, you're in places and you can hear someone say, "Hey, that's Sunil Shetty," and then someone there also, "Ah, yaar, uski picture hi nahi chalti." It hurts. You know, it hurts. क्योंकि हम आप जानते नहीं हो और सक्सेस और फेलियर के बेसिस पे यू आर रनिंग अस डाउन. आई डोंट वांट द चिल्ड्रन टू एवर गो थ्रू दैट.
But then it is
It
a
is, and
hard world
but
out
that's
there.
that's what I tell him also. That's why I said choose right. You know, he's clear about what he doesn't want. नहीं करना ही नहीं है इसको, because I know what the end result will be. You know, but sometimes, like a film like Border, he probably gave up so much to do a smaller role, but be a part of a film that
As a larger canvas.
Larger canvas, so much more respect, you know. And Sunny got the credit, Diljit got this credit, Varun got the credit, but Ahan also got the credit and a lot of love, you know, because of which he's probably got better films. And that's why it's important to make
डर
the
लगा
right
रहता
choice.
है as a parent.
हमेशा हमेशा, और खास दोनों के लिए, राहुल के लिए भी और आहान के लिए भी. राहुल के लिए क्योंकि खेल रहा है, लोग जज करेंगे. आहान के लिए क्योंकि सक्सेस और फेलियर से, हर चीज सक्सेस और फेलियर से रिलेटेड है.
Are you deeply religious?
Yes and no. Because I believe in karma very, very, very strongly. I believe कि यार कुछ गलत करेगा तो गलत होगा ही. Visit the places where I feel
I see.
good.
Shirdi ke Sai Baba.
Yeah, and go back to my roots pretty often in a year, you know, 4, 5, 6 times. So even if it's a day, I have to make my visits to all the temples, the religious places. Feel I go there for 10 minutes, I come back all excited
Rejuvenated.
and not only rejuvenated. I go to Mahakal, I feel I have unbelievable strength in me to take on anything.
Just.
You know, it just.
Is it recent or हमेशा से था?
No, हमेशा से, जहाँ भी. Mahakal and all that, of course, recently in the last, you know, X amount of years. But it's always given me, going back to my daivas, going back to my temple, going back to the Nagstan, lot of it. And believe in, and I've seen the difference it's made. You know, I've seen the difference.
Every
it's made.
Friday, your film is coming or Ahan's film is coming or something. Do you have the EBGBs?
Not for me anymore. I mean, not for
फर्क
me
ही नहीं
anymore.
पड़ता.
नहीं, फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता. हो चुका. I've seen the pinnacle of failure. So it doesn't matter. And back to back.
What is the pinnacle of failure that?
I mean, you believe that you can never rise. You know, you feel that every film that you're doing is just not working. And see, and what's funny,
was your
what
mental
is
state then?
funny about me is, you travel with me anywhere, and the love you see is unconditional. But that's not transforming into ticket sales. That means you've impressed them with the way you've conducted yourself. And probably parents say, he's achieved so much, this is how you need to behave. But content he's not given us good enough
though.
where we want to pay and go and watch him. So I see that.
So you're a role model, but you're not.
A film role model, you know, because probably I haven't given them the kind of content that they were asking me for. Probably I got lost in a lot of
There's a
things.
gap of about 10 years when you had no.
Nothing.
film.
That I didn't do anything. That I
You
didn't do
didn't
anything.
do or.
No, I didn't do. I was getting trash and I didn't want to be a part of
तो
trash.
उस दौर में क्या किया? मतलब बहुत से लोग हैं
Yeah.
जिनको you know जो खुद को ही क्वेश्चन करने लगते हैं and one has read stories, seen in actual life, you know, people going through a total you know, life slips out of their grip because they can't handle not
But
being in the
like
limelight.
I said, now my roots, my family, it makes a huge difference. Yeah. Whoever says that it doesn't make, when you're alone, you get into that. But you have your kids in your life. You have, you know, I had my parents. Dad was unwell. For me, it was all about spending time with him and them. I felt, oh, so many years, no, 4, 5 years, probably it was him and me, and home, and whatever I could do from home. Then then came the pandemic. So times came, and then you realize it's tough for everybody. And then work started. It's not that I choose not to do a lot even today. For me, I love this world of startups and investors and mentor and anchor, and that's the space I'm growing in, you know, trying to create IPs there. Films, I've told my team that I need to work 50, 60 days.
But you have a
100 days.
production house, you have a real estate business, you
Yeah,
have
so I'm
fashion,
taking care of
your
all that.
restaurants.
I'm taking care of all that, you know. Each one is doing that, and the team is set. But fear from Ahan's perspective, my Friday is, I'm jittery to a level.
Are you
probably
superstitious?
Very. No father would be. No father would be as, probably as,
तो क्या करते हो?
पता नहीं क्या करता. I think I die a million deaths before that Friday comes, you know, and drop of hat, tears, keep praying, keep hoping, you know, that he's appreciated. And I feel that way for a lot of the kids whose Fridays are there. And I wish good for them. I honestly am telling you. I'm very happy that films do well and our film also does as good. You know, today you've got Welcome to the Jungle coming and everybody's saying 20 crore hai, 30 crore hai. I said, वो सब छोड़ दो यार. Friday जब audience देख लेगी ना, पहला शो से निकलेगा तब पता चलेगा कि क्या है. Never know. I mean, you see, this one's film, Imtiaz Ali's film, supposed to be such a beautiful film, but such a slow starter.
His films always.
Yeah, but second week it's doing well, and he wanted to do well because then you say content फिर क्या है? यही तो content है.
Content भी अगर नहीं चलेगा तो क्या
फिर
चलेगा?
क्या चलेगा? Exactly.
So that those questions, आप लोग, do you have any friends in the industry?
Yes and no, because I don't hang with anybody, but
Has that gone?
it's not gone. I never did. We're there for each other, when on set and everywhere. But that time of mine, ना कि नहीं यार 6 बजे मैं घर नहीं जाऊंगा तो I get really disturbed. And that's, it's a part of my DNA. दारू पीता नहीं. And I never felt कि किसी के पास जाने से किसी के.
No controversies also, na? No
No
link-ups.
no link-ups.
No link-ups.
No.
What kind of film star?
Boring. Boring.
But you were on the sets with various heroes who
Absolutely.
had colorful lives.
I mean, colorful lives also projected a lot at times. You know,
You did Mora.
media.
What was the set like then, in those days?
I mean,
Akshay, Raveena,
and all that was fine. I think we were more scared about Nasir Bhai, Nasiruddin Shah, because he was such a fantastic actor. तो हम सब रटने पे लगे रहते थे कि लाइन सीख लो, अगर इस इंसान के सामने टिक नहीं सकते नहीं तो, because he's such a natural. आप उनको 10 पेज भी दो.
डांटते थे क्या सेट पे?
कभी नहीं. With us, I mean, I met him the other day also. I mean, legend he is. But the beauty is कि आजकल क्या हो गया है, आज मैं शायद अपनी जिंदगी में इतना रटता नहीं था और लाइंस इतना नहीं सीखता था जितना आजकल सीखता हूं मैं ये दौर में मेरे, क्योंकि एक्टर्स थैंक्स टू ओटीटी ऐसे एक एक्टर्स आ गए कि आप उनको 10 पेज ऐसे दे दे तो कि वो
they are in the craft.
Memory. I don't know how they read their
And no
lines.
longer are looks, a certain hero kind of looks or behavior a yardstick. बहुत से different genre of actors have come up.
Absolutely. But there is a difference between a lead actor and a star. A lead actor represents the lead character in the film. Stardom doesn't come to everybody.
आजकल कोई star है?
शाहरुख है, सलमान है.
Yeah, that is an age. I mean, I'm talking really about the younger.
Of course, I honestly believe, whether it's Ranveer or whether it's Ranveer. See, देखिए स्टार तब बनता है जब आपको उसको स्टारडम वाइज स्क्रिप्ट भी देते हो. कौन सी दीवार बन रही है आज, कौन सा अमर अकबर एंथनी बन रही है, कौन सी त्रिशूल बन रही है, कि आप लार्जर देन लाइफ लोगों को. धुरंधर बनी ना, और वो स्टारडम उसको मिला ही है. आज गदर हुई या बॉर्डर हुआ तो सनीपा आज भी उतने ही बड़े. तो इट्स ऑल्सो द काइंड ऑफ फिल्म्स यू डू. It's also it's a Pushpa or it's the South. They do larger than life, whether it's an athlete or anybody. They make sure that their heroes are larger than life. वो अगर आप निकाल दोगे तो फिर प्ले में और इसमें ब्रॉडवेज में और नॉर्मल प्लेस में जो फर्क है वो वही है ना.
पर रियलिटी कहते हैं फिल्मों को रियलिटी पर रहना चाहिए, इतना मेक बिलीव नहीं होना चाहिए.
फिल्मों को पैसे बनाना चाहिए इज व्हाट आई से.
पर वो तो एंड रिजल्ट है.
नहीं
शुरुआत कहाँ से है?
नहीं लेकिन
यू कैन वर्क बैकवर्ड्स.
नो,
स्टोरी अच्छी होगी तो पैसे बनेंगे.
नहीं लेकिन कैसे प्रेजेंट करते हो वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. रियलिज्म के रास्ते पे जाओगे तो लोग बोलते हैं हर रोज हम टीवी पे यही देख रहे हैं.
Exactly.
मीडिया में हम यही देख रहे हैं. कौन देखना चाहता है? और पैसे कौन डालेगा? लक्ष्मी आखिर कौन डालेगा कि अगर उसको पता है कि ये फ्लैट ही जाने वाला है? वैसे तो डॉक्यूमेंट्री भी बनती है और बहुत अप्रिशिएट होता है, लेकिन वो फ्री में दिखाई दे.
तो यू थिंक लार्जर देन लाइफ इज द ओनली वे सिनेमा कैन बी?
एनीथिंग, स्पोर्ट इज लार्जर देन लाइफ. आज प्लेयर्स देश के लिए नहीं खेल रहे, आईपीएल खेलने आ रहे हैं. कुछ तो होगा ना. आज प्रीमियर लीग्स आर फार बिगर देन वर्ल्ड कप्स.
इज देयर अ नॉर्थ साउथ डिवाइड इन द सेंस, साउथ की फिल्में तो चल रही हैं, आपने अभी थोड़ी देर पहले ये भी कहा कि आपको ऑफर्स आते थे तो साउथ में विलन के आते थे.
एब्सोल्युटली.
तो यू नो बॉलीवुड एंड साउथ के बीच में एक थोड़ा सा एक
आई थिंक हेल्दी कंपटीशन है.
हेल्दी है.
हेल्दी है बिकॉज ईच वन वांट्स टू टॉप द अदर. तो हेल्दी होगा. अगर अभी तो आई एम श्योर
इतना हेल्दी भी नहीं है.
नहीं
मार्शल आर्ट्स वाला हेल्दी नहीं है, दूसरा मार्शल आर्ट्स है.
नहीं, वो तो स्टेट वाइज है यार. हर स्टेट चाहता है कि मेरी इंडस्ट्री नंबर 1 इंडस्ट्री हो. आज तेलुगु, साउथ को आप साउथ में मत गिनिएगा. साउथ में तेलुगु भी है, तमिल भी है, मलयालम भी है, कन्नड़ा भी है. ईच वन इज फाइटिंग टू बी न्यूमरो उनो. आज कन्नड़ा भी वहीं आके खड़ा हुआ है, मलयालम भी वहीं आके खड़ा हुआ है. और क्योंकि हिंदी फिल्में हमेशा पैन इंडिया रहती थी, इसलिए ये पैन इंडिया की फील है. बट साउथ की वजह से हमने भी अपने बार रेस कर दिया है. यू नो, व्हेन इट कम्स टू सब्जेक्ट, व्हेन इट कम्स टू स्टेल, आज रामायण हो कि बहुत सारी फिल्में हो जहाँ कम्पीट ही करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं ना, और वो अच्छा ही है.
टेल मी योर बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स इन द इंडस्ट्री.
I think Jackie Dada, Salman, Sanju, all are very, very close to me. Aki, Ajay. Like I said, I think Dada and me meet a lot more, Jackie and me. You know, spend time at the farmhouse, spend time with each other. But because I don't party, because I don't get out at night, I don't hang with too much. But if we are there, whether it's on the sets or otherwise, we are always hanging together. I mean, I don't understand.
Tell me one big quality of Akshay or a big incident that you hold close to your heart.
You know, the thing is, Akshay is someone, and Ajay, both I'd say, are people who inspire me to continue working. Believing that if you hold yourself well, there is always a time to make that comeback and impact. You know, they've held themselves so beautifully. These late 50s and 60-year-olds are giving bigger hits than the 20 and 30-year-olds.
That's true.
Hold a bigger audience, have got more ठहराव in them. Hero, they're the ones. You ask me that question कि कौन है वो स्टार, वो ये है, क्योंकि उनकी बॉडी ऑफ वर्क है. ऐसे ही इन बच्चों की बॉडी ऑफ वर्क जैसे बनती जाएगी और अच्छी फिल्में आती जाएगी, they will become. You see Ranveer and his growth. Even with failure, he has only grown. And now with the last few films with Animal and all that, I mean, he is a star. Sanju, Animal. Likewise with Ranveer. Likewise with Vicky Kaushal. With Taigi. Now Tigers will start, he's maturing, he's doing better films, Therav Wali film. You know, then it all falls into place.
What is it that you would tell a youngster in the film industry to do today? Something that you've learned from your experience.
Do multi-star cast films. It's got a bigger audience, and you're far, far more secure.
Viable films.
Viable, more reach, security, success, failure, you share, you know, but you can still hold your own. I mean, I've done Dhadkan, I've done Mohra, I've done Hera Fairy, all were double, triple hero films. But each one got the credit for it.
From real action hero to Hera Fairy.
Yeah.
How did you manage the two genres?
I think chose wisely. I, as an actor, am aware about my capabilities. I depend on good actors. I depend on a good director and a good script. Situationally, Hera Fairy works brilliantly. If you see, I'm the innocent guy out there. You know, so I stick to my role. And there's the Paresh and there's the Akshay and the brilliance of Priyadarshan that lets me come out on my own. When you say success, na, everybody is counted in that. Tomorrow, the success of
So number 3 is coming.
hopefully, I mean, we all want it to come. It depends.
All sorted.
Not really, but being sorted as we speak. You know, and because we've just done Welcome to the Jungle, same producer, a similar, I mean, 3 out of the 30 are from Hera Fairy. So, yeah,
Anytime soon.
I don't know. I seriously don't know. I seriously don't know. I think the focus right now is making sure that Welcome to the Jungle gets the kind of eyeballs that we are looking for. You know, and it's got brilliant actors. I mean, outperforming each other, but still brilliant. You know, when these are the kind of actors someone like me would give 8, 9 and 10 to, out of 10. Because half the time when you're working with them, I'm so much in awe of them that I forget my cue. You know, because a Johnny Lever, a Paresh Rawal, a Kiku, and a Krishna, and they're insane actors. Their timing is insane.
But you've got your own timing.
Yeah, absolutely. You get see, being an action hero, when you drop your shoulders and play that character, the audience knows. ये प्ले कर रहा है एक्चुअली वो ऐसा इमेज एक बहुत बड़ी चीज होती है, ये बहुत बड़ी चीज होती है, यू नो. एंड इसलिए एक एक्टर को का इमेज होना फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. जो भी हो, रोमांटिक हीरो, एक्शन हीरो, ये वो, you set your in the initial stages of your career that you've got to give yourself a solid image.
You know, you were always the action hero, but just now while speaking, you know, you're the ultimate romantic hero. I mean, you broke down while speaking about you know, Mana and how you got her to meet the father, and you know, that whole romance. I mean, there can't be a more moving romantic real life.
Yeah, but you know, at the same time, you are an action hero. And according to me, an action hero is all heart. It's always good over evil. And sees the right in society, and even if he is wrong, is willing to mend ways and goes. For an Indian action hero, माँ, बहन, भाभी, उससे बड़े relationship है नहीं. Unfortunately, हमारी नई पीढ़ी जो स्क्रिप्ट्स अप्रूव करने के लिए आए, उन्होंने ये डिसाइड कर लिया कि नहीं यार, क्लीशे है वो, देश, माँ, बहन, बीवी के अलावा इमोशन बहुत कम है. ये पिनिकल ऑफ इमोशन है. आज बॉर्डर की बात करो तो सिर्फ 10,000 लोगों को खड़ा कर दो एंड ऑल आई से इज माँ शक्ति, या ये धरती मेरी माँ है, बस दैट्स इनफ टू फॉर देम टू गो ballistic. You know, so unfortunately,
I can't forget that number in border that you did. ए जाते हुए
लम्हो जरा ठहरो जरा ठहरो. I mean, that was writing at
we've
its,
grown up on that.
at its peak. So अब जब देश की बात करें, border nostalgia, it was that got the opening. You know, अब ऐसी फिल्में नहीं बनाओगे तो कैसे चलेगा? So we have to remind ourselves that we have to entertain, we have to make clean comedy. The highest point for me, when somebody tells me, what is so amazing about Welcome to the Jungle? Why you're bullish about it? I said, I'm bullish about it. I'm not talking about box office. I'm bullish about it क्योंकि a grandfather can take a grandchild and say, चलो पिक्चर देखने जाते हैं. ऐसे नहीं देखेंगे पिक्चर, या लैपटॉप घुमाते नहीं रहेंगे, या हेडफोन्स डाल के साउंड छुपाने की कोशिश नहीं करेंगे.
Pure fun.
प्योर फन. टीवी चालू करो, माँ आए, डैड आए, सब बैठे, हाँ पिक्चर फास्ट फॉरवर्ड मत करना, देखते रहना. दैट इज वेलकम टू द जंगल. एंड दैट मेरे लिए बहुत मायने रखता है. लॉट ऑफ दीज थिंग्स दैट
You played the jilted lover so beautifully in Dhadkan.
इन धड़कन.
वो डायलॉग याद है?
मैं तुम्हें भूल जाऊं ये हो नहीं सकता, और
ठीक
तुम
से
अंजलि, मैं तुम्हें भूल जाओ ये हो नहीं सकता, और तुम मुझे भूल जाओ ये मैं होने नहीं दूंगा. सी इट्स सच अ सिंपल लाइन, लेकिन आई एम टेलिंग यू अगेन, ऑडियंस में जाओ और कुछ सुनना ही नहीं चाहते. यू एंड विथ एनीथिंग, यू जस्ट स्विच इट टू द नेम दैट यू वांट एंड इट्स अ गेम चेंजर. एंड इट्स द सिंप्लिसिटी. ये डायलॉग्स
हाँ.
भाषणबाजी नहीं है. मैं आज भी गिरे हुए पैसे नहीं उठाता इज अमित जी इज लाइन दैट मेड
Yeah.
मी. तुम्हारा नाम क्या है बसंती इज अ लाइन. ये राइटर्स अगर आ जाए ना वापस, द गेम विल चेंज.
Something that is simple enough to connect to the masses.
एंड इट्स सिंपल ओनली दैट कनेक्ट्स टू द मासेस. भाषण तो निकल जाता है. You know, you
Very
don't
well
remember
said.
lines. You don't remember lines.
I want to do a rapid fire with you. Which is the one director that you've not worked with and you would want to work with?
I'd say two. I'd say Raju Hirani and Aditya Dhar.
Okay. One actor you admire the most?
Mr. Bachchan.
Rank personal favorites. Hera Fairy, Border, Dhadkan, Main Hoon Na.
Border, hands down.
Desh.
Desh. Uniform,
Border 2, honest review.
average. As a film, average. Could have been much better, but I think release, timing, pressure of that. Otherwise, brilliant script. And, Nidhi Datta, JP's daughter, her thoughts, and I had heard it earlier also. Brilliant. Sometimes time and a lot of factors, pressure of delivery comes in.
Favorite male co-star?
I mean, I'd say Akshay, because we've worked like magic. And favorite is, it also has, on celluloid, it should come out.
Success.
We had a love-hate relationship in the sense you always felt, no, I need to do better, you need to do better. Aki the other day was mentioning it, कि एक scene था जब we had to hug each other and the camera was on the right and both of us ended up hugging each other like that. So both conscious कि camera का है. So it was a beautiful relation. And I can see it in this also. When we are...
There was never competition. You don't want to kill each other.
No, never. 50 फिल्में में थी और 50 वेटिंग में थे. 100 फिल्में तो एक साल में कर सकते थे. तो कौन सी कंपटीशन तब होता है जब सप्लाई कम है या वाइस वर्सा. तभी डिमांड बहुत ज्यादा थी. अब बच्चों को तकलीफ हो रही है कि फिल्में कम बन रही है. आई नीड दिस फिल्म, आई नीड दैट. तभी तो फिल्में इतनी बनती थी.
And favorite female co-star? If you have
See,
to choose between Shilpa Shetty, Raveena Tandon, Karishma, these are the ones you
I
work
think
with.
I've enjoyed working with all of them.
I don't want a
No, I'm
diplomat.
not. No, I'm
There's
actually
one
telling you.
favorite, कि एक के साथ.
I think I've enjoyed working with Lolo a lot because she was a bundle of energy and it matched me and balanced me perfectly because she used to get me to do those dances, those steps and stuff like that.
Did you enjoy that? Dancing and all?
No, never. I never slept for weeks.
When you had to do
When I had to dance. And Shilpa and Raveena and Karishma, unbelievable dancers, and glamorous. So very tough.
your favorite personal song? संदेशे आते हैं, तो चलूं और तुम दिल की धड़कन हो. तो चलो. It hits here.
Yeah, straight. And सुहागरात का गाना है. JP said सुहागरात का गाना. अभी मैं सोच रहा हूँ सुहागरात का गाना माना.
अच्छा,
क्या
she
होने
used to
वाला
give
है?
you, she used to give
No,
you.
never. But you think, na?
हाँ.
कि
You
what is
second
it?
guess.
Yeah. So I said गाना माना क्या करूँ मैं. But then the genius of JP Datta, one of the most aesthetically beautifully shot songs ever. And even in that portion where the husband and wife come together and he's going for war, he doesn't know, the team has switched, turned the other way, not looking. How do you break that moment? And that genius sits there and keeps asking questions. What do you think? What do you think? And suddenly there's a MiG that goes on top. Boom! There was a training going, and he looked up. And he says, sound. And he cut to the sound, and I look up and I turn and says, company, march. And they come back. After that, he doesn't look back. It's just the girl running.
Yeah.
She looking at him, and he not having a glimpse, because for him now it's motherland over
Yeah.
anybody or
Everything else.
everything else. So it's this. I mean, what was it? It's such a simple moment, but just got the entire nation to say, "To chalo," you know.
Which is the young actor that you find most promising?
Ranbir, Vicky, Tiger, Varun. If given the right script, he's extraordinary.
Any personal favorites on food?
My South Indian khana, anything to do with that. And I'm so happy that is back in fashion. All the best restaurants.
Did it ever go out of
It did, because it went out of fashion because we couldn't afford it. Like I said, the math didn't work. Now people, it's come back packaged well and glamorous and telling the McDonald's and the KFCs, come on, I'll take you on. You know, I'm faster food than fast food, because the minute you ordered, the dish was already there, hot from the oven.
Yeah.
You know, never frozen, never prepared in a factory. No, it was fresh, and we're back now. Yeah.
And one hope for the future. What do you want it to be? You say you manifest.
Settled grandparents with at least 4 to 6 of them, grandkids.
So when is Ahan?
Hopefully, whenever he decides to settle down now.
Acha, you're not
He's focused on his career. He's got some amazing films, and
excited as a
very,
parent?
very, very excited. You know, and excited as a parent because of his choice, and then he decided to wait. Now I'm seeing a lot of the young kids have hurried into their careers, and though have immense potential, will take a longer time to settle in because of wrong choices. Visibility. We need to be seen.
Does he
We need to-
appreciate the fact that he has a dad
I
who
think
backs him silently,
that
and therefore he can afford to do that?
I mean, he never tells me that, but he tells his mother and his friends that. So that is good enough for me. But you know, we share an unbelievable relationship, and I'd want it to be that way. You know, we're friends, and yeah, I mean, it's magical. And he listens. This generation doesn't listen. They believe that, yes,
They
dad
know
is
it
there.
all.
Yeah, dad is there. I want to do my own thing, dad. I don't want to get into your business. I'm saying general. When I'm seeing the startup world, they want family money to do their business, but don't want to join the business. I always feel, get into dad's business and then start your own family office. You know, because that is stability. For me today, when I tell my team, this is so many movies, you should do it. I said, now, at this age, cinema for me is visibility. Everything else I do is stability. Whether as a father, as a father-in-law, as you know, as a son,
Nana.
yeah, as a nana, as a son, as a brother, and everything else that I want to do is for my stability. This is for my visibility. I'll continue to do it because an actor makes a difference, and if consciously you make sure that you conduct yourself right, consciously, you know, otherwise you're all human, we go everywhere, then huge. I mean, there are too many benefits out of that also.
Well,
For every actor, you know. For
amazing, and you know, cheers to the most fit 65-year-old that I've
Thank
had
you.
the pleasure
Thank you.
of meeting, and I think you'd give the 30-year-olds a run for their
Thank you.
money, and
But you know,
continue-
again, this is a conscious decision. Again, for me here, it is the way I've gone about things. Whether it's my training, whether it's my diet, there's nothing special about
Are you
it.
sure there's no Botox anywhere here?
Nothing at all. Can never be. It can tell.
Kuch
You can
to-
tell. Kuch nahi. कुछ नहीं,
बॉलीवुड में रह के यू लुक लाइक दिस विदाउट एनी
विदाउट एनीथिंग है, झुर्रियाँ जो है, बट व्हाट हैपेंस इज सफेद जो है वो है, आप छोड़ दोगे ना अपने आप को, एंड यू इफ यू सी वन थिंग दैट one has to do, which is the biggest Botox, is quantification of food and your timing is very important. 6 बजे के पहले खाना खत्म कर दो और आपकी quantification आप check कर लो. It is a life changer for everybody, and that's why I keep harping about age, is because I want every child to go home and tell their parent ki look at Sunil uncle, yaar, look at him and look at you. Bring that change. You know, इसलिए जब ये फिट इंडिया मूवमेंट ये सब आता है तो खुश हो जाता हूं मैं, क्योंकि यही और यहीं पर सब कुछ है. हीलिंग थ्रू फूड यहीं पर है, हीलिंग थ्रू स्पाइसेस यही है, आयुर्वेद हमारा यहीं पर है, दुनिया उठा उठा के वहाँ री एक्सपोर्ट कर रही है. सो वी कैन इजी, एंड इट्स नॉट जस्ट अबाउट अपीयरेंस, इवन फिटनेस वाइज. मैं एक्शन करूंगा तो आप बोलोगे नहीं कि ये 65 ईयर ओल्ड एक्शन कर रहा है. हाँ, 10 बार नहीं करूंगा, एक ही बार करूंगा, ऑब्जर्व करूंगा, स्लो मूवमेंट्स करूंगा. टेक मेरा बॉडी डबल भी वो टेक नहीं दे सकता, क्योंकि मैं बोलता हूँ नहीं यार, बॉडी लैंग्वेज मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगा या वैसे, बिकॉज इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट, एंड आई नो आई एम लाइक अ वेट टिश्यू, तो संभाल के अपने आप को रखता हूँ वरना फट जाएगा. सो आई एम वेरी कॉन्शियस अबाउट इट. आई ट्रेन नॉट टू हंच, आई ट्रेन सो दैट आई कैन लिफ्ट माई लेग्स, I train so that my posture is right. You know, I'm social media देखूंगा तो गाड़ी से उतरते वक्त अपने आप को देखूंगा तो I see क्या गलत कर रहा हूं मैं. Am I looking like I'm aging? Or is it just slow? That's fine. That can be graceful. When I get down the steps, how am I getting down? You can find out your mistakes. I look at it more from a mistake perspective. Can I change something? And that's how I change my training.
Well, I guess you know, if the new generation today were to look at how much homework you still continue to do on yourself.
True.
Success doesn't come easy, but when it comes in the manner that you've handled, there's one controversy that I have not asked you about. वो जो JP सिंगल की आपने बात की, उसकी भी एक स्टोरी है. उसकी स्टोरी है कि
मैंने पैसे दिए थे.
नहीं, अनिल कपूर वहाँ गए थे और अनिल कपूर ने कहा आजकल कोई भी स्टार बन जाता है, और उसके बाद आपकी और अनिल कपूर की कभी बनी नहीं.
नहीं, ऐसे नहीं है, लेकिन बोला तो बहुत कुछ है. 50-50 हीरोज है, अक्षय और सुनील, फास्ट फूड जैसे, वैसे तो बहुत बोला हुआ था. लेकिन कभी कभी क्या हो जाता है ना, तभी कंट्रोवर्सी से ही अब्यूज इज यूज. तभी भी था, अभी तो इंडिविजुअली आप कर सकते थे.
पर इज देयर एन ऑकवर्डनेस?
नो, नेवर, क्योंकि दे वर स्टार्स, दे वर लेजेंड्स. हम तो आज चढ़ता हुआ बच्चों को मैं अगर छेड़ने लगूं तो इट डजंट मेक सेंस ओनली ना. हमें तो मतलब ही नहीं था, हमारे लिए तो हीरो ही थे. मेरे लिए मेरे दादा, जैकी दादा आज भी सुपर हीरो है. यू नो, फॉर मी बचपन से वो.
पर अनिल कपूर से थोड़ा सा,
अनिल कपूर से था क्योंकि हमेशा लगता था जैकी और उनका ठसन भी था, तो मुझे वो गुस्सा हमेशा रहता था.
और ऊपर से आपको कह दिया कि कोई भी हीरो.
हाँ, लेकिन टुडे यू एडमायर हिम 70 and look at the way he's looking. I mean, probably I'm one of the few who first comment on anything that he does, because you feel कमाल है यार ये आदमी. Energy, enthusiasm, work ethics, timing, dialogue delivery, wow, you know. So, and you forget a whole lot of things. You know, you forget कि किसी ने कुछ बोला था, क्या बोला था, हमने भी गुस्से में कुछ बोला होगा. That's why I say every stage of life is beautiful.
मुलाकात हुई recent?
हाँ, बहुत बार. I love him. Today I love him. You see, I'm one of the few who comments maximum on his posts, and I admire him for.
Well, I think you're moving towards sainthood, क्योंकि आपने दिल में बैर नहीं रखा. खाना नाप तोल के, हेल्थ का इतना ज्ञान.
इसी
everybody's Anna. So I think sainthood is the next step.
I think with age all this happens. क्योंकि आप ये चाहते हो कि नहीं यार, मेरे बच्चों को कोई कुछ नहीं बोल, you know, it's a natural process.
Protectiveness.
Protectiveness, because you don't want anybody saying anything about, नहीं यार
Your
छोड़ो यार,
child.
क्यों दुश्मनी लेके क्या फायदा, मिलने वाला क्या है?
And the biggest thing you said, content.
Yeah, absolutely.
No maramari.
No. I am absolutely content. It's not that the world has ended for me, you know, from an opportunity perspective.
But
business-
appreciate what you have
Absolutely.
and not be greedy.
and not be bothered about what somebody else has. I swear on God, I've never been and I never will be. And that my wife, my father, my mother, anybody who knows me will tell you that. Not bothered. We're happy. I mean, grandchild, son. Look at the kind of boy he is, Rahul. You know, I can't ask for somebody better for Tia. I keep telling Tia every second day, you are blessed to have a husband like him. You know, and that's it, no?
Well, that's called aging gracefully, having the work for life, yet not competitive in a negative kind of way, where you grudge the next successful person के इसको क्यों गया, मुझे मिल रहा है बहुत खुशी है, पर उसको क्यों गया ये नहीं क्वेश्चन कर.
नहीं, कभी नहीं. And also vocal about what I feel. I don't mince words. When I have to say something, I do say it. You know, whether it's the industry, whether it's my view on politics, who I worship, why I worship. So I'm very clear about all that. Very, very clear.
Well, more power to that. Plain speaking and speaking dil se.
Thank you.
And this podcast is all about Baatein Dil Se, and that we connected so beautifully Dil Se.
Absolutely.
Thank you very much for that.
Absolutely. And I was so looking forward to this, you know, and
It's always been a pleasure. We've met
I know.
chance meetings, and somehow we've developed
absolute
rapport.
And respect. I have tremendous respect for your body of work. So, you know, that makes a hell of a lot of difference. Rapport happens, but then you also know ki, you know, someone is out there and been doing it diligently all through life. You know, staying consistent, and consistency is the biggest issue with all of us.
Well, maybe that is the generation we come from.
Absolute.
And it's worked for us.
True.
Simple
True.
lives, simple desires,
Yeah,
and just keep working.
absolute. And grandchildren.
And grandchildren, yes. I'm a votary of that as well. Well, kudos to you. Thank you very much. All
Thank
the
you.
very best for your new release. Welcome to the jungle.
Thank
But let's see what the jungle brings. But
Yeah.
even after the jungle, let's connect and stay connected
Sure. Look
with
forward.
all the positive views.
Look forward.
Thank you very much, Sunil.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Lovely.